See, let me know if I'm live yet. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Welcome to the live stream. Hope you like that thumbnail that I made. Actually, let me see if some people want to join the stream. I'm gonna copy this over to my Twitter really quick. Hope everyone's having a great day. The market is suffering today, unfortunately. Oof, what is this? Melvin Capital, once high-flying hedge fund, lost billions of dollars. You're right, yeah, we know that. Something new happened to this? Capital to wind down funds after losses. Oh. Okay, well, let me, short live stream just to answer any questions. Hope everyone's doing well. Let me just post this on Twitter, see if anyone wants to join. Short live stream to talk stocks. What else do you guys want to talk today? Talk stocks. Crash, stock market crash. Do you guys want to talk about stock market crash? We'll just say stocks. Keep it simple, and we'll just, make sure to throw a little bit of hashtags in here, and we'll should be good. Oh, we're also going to talk a little bit of options. We can talk some options flow. Anything else you guys are interested in? Shane, what's up, man? Hey, buddy, how you doing? I'm doing okay. Rough day in the market. How are you doing today? It's been a rough one today. I don't know if you are doing day trading or you do a little bit of just long-term investing, but oh, I forgot to include, I wanted to include that thumbnail. Let me see if I can include that thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna delete this tweet real quick so I can repost this. I hate deleting tweets just because it makes it look like. All right, let me do that really quick. How you doing? Total crash today. Let's see if it pumps a bit tomorrow. Hopefully it does pump a little bit. It's been rough today. How many points did we lose on the SPY today? Let me see really quick. Honestly, after lunch, I just stopped looking because it was so hard to watch. We lost 16 points, down 4%. Wow, that's insane. 4% is insane. Do you guys know why the stock market crashed or the reasoning for it? I thought Walmart's earnings were like the cause of it, but it turns out it's Twitter's earnings. I love this thumbnail though. What do you guys think about this thumbnail? Is this guy like holding the positions? Yeah, I do both. Okay, I traded last night, was great. Biggest drop since March 2020. Really? I didn't see how many. 16 points. You said you traded last night, was great. I'm confused on that part. Let me see if I can get this. I'm actually gonna try to plug in a few other tickers in here. We can talk about SoFi. We can talk, Tesla. I guess we could talk Tesla. GGPI, Lucid, Neo. These are usually the hot tickers. So actually Apple's a hot one too. So let's see if some people want to show up. Earnings call from Walmart and the rest. Right, yeah. So this is the craziest thing I've seen for Target. I've never seen this thing, like, whatever happened today was insane. And you guys actually remember we talked about a nice support here, which is crazy. So it looks like it did break the support here, and then it came back up, and then I guess got rejected, which is, I had no idea it was going to be this insane, but we did kind of talk a little bit how Walmart earnings could be a good indication going into Targets, and same thing for Home Depot versus Lowe's. Don't exactly know how Lowe's did. Let's see how Lowe's did. Is this Lowe's? I don't think this is Lowe's, is it? Let me see. Their ticker's weird. Lowe's. Here it is. Okay. So these guys sold off. I'm not exactly sure how they did on earnings. Let's click on this really quick. So they beat on earnings, but their revenue missed, I guess. They missed by 100 million. It's actually a pretty close earnings. It's not terrible. They got really close to it. Made 9K earning. How did you make 9K? Oh, you probably bought puts, right? I'm guessing. You have a pretty good, I guess you probably have two portfolios, right? A day trading portfolio and than a long-term investment. So let's take a look at SPY first. I think that's what I wanted to cover. I don't really have much planned for the stream. I just wanted to kind of hang out. And I was really proud of that thumbnail, so I wanted to share it off. And so hopefully we can get some people in here. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just really proud of that thumbnail. So sometimes I get energy and want to do streams. I'm trying to get possibly Trippy to get in here. Oh, I think he might be able to join. Oh shoot. Well, I was trying to get him on here. Trippy, he says he's not home right now. He just got signal. I'm guessing he's actually pretty funny, so I wanted him to come on today. What time? Let me ask him real quick. He's actually pretty funny to be on here, so let's just ask him that, see if he is interested in joining to the stream. If anybody else wants to ask any questions though. I hold long term, but buy and sell sometimes in the same day. Okay. Do you trade options too, or you just do the shares? For me personally, I like to do long-term shares, and then I like to trade options for my day trading, but it's just so much easier with leverage, right? So I don't know if Trippy's going to be able to join. I was hoping he'd come on. He had some DD he wanted to share with us, but he might not be able to make it. He's not home right now. So last time we had Trippy on, he was dropping some cold DD, so I was trying to get him back on here, but might not happen today. Anyway, for the SPY, so we kind of had this what is it, what will we say? It's basically the gap. Was it the gap from 400 and up to 405? We had that gap here, which is these two green lines here. And really we came up to this level. Let's see, we actually got rejected. Let me just see if I can make this pretty for you guys. So right there. So I guess we closed above it and then we came back. So we came above it, we came back, right? But we weren't able to hold it, and so now we are basically in a downtrend. It's what it looks like. So I'm thinking the next stop is obviously going to be down here with 390. We're actually right there, but wait, this is 385 actually. I'm sorry. 385 would be the next. That's another 5 points. So really no support right now. 5 points would be, how many points would 5 points be from 390? So 5 divided by 391. Well, it'd be 6 points actually. Let me see how much. So another 1.5%, is that right? Yeah. So SPY could drop another 1.5% tomorrow. Shane says just shares gotta go back in 10. Oh, what does that mean? No, he's like, just gotta go back in 10. Oh shoot, you gotta work? Oh man, where are you working at, Shane? Well, I appreciate you showing up for a little bit. I don't really have much planned on the stream. I don't know which stocks you guys like to follow. Do you guys like to follow that sucks if you have to go to work. I guess you work all day or something. Let me clear some of this stuff out of the way. Yeah, I really didn't have too much plan. I just wanted to see if anybody would have any questions what's going on with the SPY. I do have some articles that I wanted to read, but they're really not like, it's Polestar related, and what else? See if we got any clout. Oh look, the Choice Capital, this contract is up more than 500 BBB. Hey, let's go. This man is shouting me out right here. So I gave this contract a few while ago. When was this? BB early for mid-June. Add to the watch list for sure. Right? It was a $1.3 million order. Yeah, I kind of pointed this out. Obviously everything is down right now, so I mean it's like shooting fish in a barrel, but yeah, I did this back in last week. Was this last week or maybe 2 weeks ago? I just shared this with some of the people that follow me on Twitter, and I guess this guy reposted it for me, so thanks for reposting that. I'll shout him out after I get off the stream. What up, Farahi? Tomorrow we green, baby. You think so? Let me see where we're at. So I was thinking, I think we could still push through. I mean, 400 really is that psychological level. There's basically this little range that I have. I still think we're gonna come back at least touch, what, 85 maybe? And if we break 85, then obviously we're gonna come back down all the way further to probably 370. Is that my next support that I have in here? I think so. Yeah, it's down here around 372, 370. Hey, for Hadi, what makes you think we're green tomorrow? I think the only thing is that we don't really have any more events. I think I was looking, well, we do. Tomorrow we have the or was it jobless claims? So if that actually shows us that there's a lot of like the economy's strong, then we can possibly at least hold the levels. And if the jobless, where's the jobless claims? I was going to show you continuing jobless claims, initial jobless claims. So we got all this tomorrow. But if we get more jobless claims than what their estimate is, what's their estimate here? Let's see. Previous forecast. Okay, so forecast is here. So the forecast is 1,300K, initial jobless 200K. So if we get more than this, so there's like more people without jobs, then that's going to show a weak economy. Market's going to sell off tomorrow. Continue just selling off to what did I say, 385, 370? I think definitely 385. That would be like a 1.5% down. If the jobless claims, it shows strong economy, they come in lower than what's the forecast, then I think we can hold the 390 level. And then I don't think we really have, do we have any Fed speakers? Then I think we could kind of push back up to 400. I'll have to look at next week's. For Hadi said he has 20,000 GGPI shares. Sheesh, that's crazy. Let me get you some math real quick. He has 20,000 shares, right? Just trying to size him up real quick. $10 and what, 30 cents today, close? That's insane, bro. He's got 200K and GGPI. No Fed speakers. One earnings news and we fall 4%, not normal. So I think overreacting. Yeah, it's pretty crazy how we've been selling off like crazy. And even after the what was it? When did Jerome speak? Was it last week? All right, so for last week, I'm guessing Jerome spoke last week. Was it this week? So we were selling going into Jerome Powell, right? Then we talked about, then Jerome Powell gave the CPI or whatever numbers he had, the interest rates, right? He said everything was good. We're going to do it for June. And then we continued to sell off, right? People kind of overreacted, but now we're still back at these levels, which is insane. So yeah, no Fed speakers. So I'm thinking no news is good news. So if the jobless claims come in lower, then that would mean that the economy is strong, right? I'm going back in, Wheezy Boys. But we can take a look at GGPI too if you want. See what we're doing here. Oops. Yeah, we were talking about these ranges yesterday. I'm going to clear them out just because we haven't even got there. Just don't want to clutter up my chart. I don't think we really moved much. That's crazy. We basically went sideways, which makes sense. There's not much. We probably can retouch 1010. No pun intended, but yeah, I think we could probably retouch $10.10 again, and then hopefully bounce off of that this time, making it a double bottom like that, and we can come back up to 1080. Obviously, I think 1060 or 1070 is always a strong resistance, but I do think at this price, it's very low risk before the merger, right? And do you guys know anything about the merger? I was watching some videos on YouTube, but I haven't really got much news on the SEC filings and stuff. If we bounce on the same levels as week before, we can have a bear rally. Yeah, that's obviously we're in a bear market, but I'm okay with a bear rally, just so I can sell a few of my positions and then I can just get out, right? Because the volatility right now is insane. Well, I take that back. We've kind of been chilling. Like we've been chilling. We've been in a big downtrend, but we kind of these last few days we've kind of been chilling. Like we've sold off, kind of break even towards the end. Today was that's why today was actually an eye opener for me, because we lost like everything that we really like worked up to in the past 3-4 days. We lost that today basically. So that's what's a little concerning. And let's see what's I think with merger news we will go between 13 and 15. Yep. Yeah, I was talking about that last time. Excuse me. Let me go back to GGPI for you. If you guys have any tickers you guys want me to cover, by the way, just put them in the comments. And actually, I'll put that in here so you guys know for anybody that joins later. And we don't have any on the list, so you just feel free to put them in, and we'll take a look at them. Preferably not penny stocks, but don't mind at least giving you guys my thoughts on them. I just I don't like to promote pump and dumps in here. I like to at least talk about somewhat decent chips or like stocks. So anyway, no risk, almost no risk. Everyone is hoping to get out, so that is not good. Everyone is hoping to get out, so that is not good. You talking about, what do you which do you mean? Are you talking about GGPI, or are you talking about the SPY? You might be talking about the SPY. Yeah, I think everybody is trying to get out. But Trippy was making a good point last time. He was saying, well, I personally, let's take a look at oil real quick before I still think that oil needs to break out back up to about 37, like retouch those highs. I was watching some videos and they say that the commodities need to hit the top before the stock market crashes. And oil is still kind of bullish, to be honest. It broke out, it came back and retouched this, so it's still actually bullish. We can actually push this out even further now. So it's still bullish right now. I think, isn't China reopening? I think China reopened their stuff. Let me look that up real quick. China reopen. I believe they're reopening, which is going to be really good for oil. I mean, it's bad, but it's good if you're trading oil. I think that's what they were saying, withdrawals from hosting reopening. Yeah, so look, this 2 days ago, China, Shanghai aims to end COVID lockdown by June 1st. So that'll be a few weeks out. What, next week? No, not next week, but Memorial Day weekend, or yeah, after Memorial. So that's going to be something to look forward to if you're following the commodities or just oil in general. I think oil is a really good play. Let me see where our chart is. I think you guys want, let me just look at, yeah, oil's still pulling back, but I think it's going to be a solid play all summer long. I want to look up Oxy, because this is probably one of my favorites to play. And this one actually broke out, which is insane. So we had this resistance here, nice support level here. We're coming back, we broke out. It looks like we're going to come back, retouch this before we continue going up. This is the one that, by the way, Buffett invested in. Their earnings were actually pretty good too, by the way. So definitely keep an eye on some oil plays. Not sure if you guys are interested in those, but I think there's definitely some money to be made there. And Furkati said, what do you think about WBD? Isn't this the one that got spun off? Isn't this like Discovery or something? I don't know. I think this one, it just is breaking down. That's what it looks like, which is not good. It's breaking down its lows. So this will be its low down here, which is what, 1740. So it looks like it wants to come down and retouch these levels down here, and then it's going to become a strong resistance to even get back up above that. Isn't this the one that got spun off from AT&T? What do you think? Yeah, the stock market. This is the hardest stock market in my life. I am 38. I know, man. It's like really hard. Ever since 2022 started, it's been the roughest stock market for me too. That's the only positive news from China. Yeah. Yeah, so once they start opening that, it's not going to be, I guess it's positive, but it's bad because then prices in the US are going to go up higher. Like, but I guess it's reality, right? It's going to be like, it's like I hate it because like gas prices are gonna go up and it's gonna affect my family. It's gonna affect, you know, everyone that we care about. So it's just it's hard to, but I mean, it's not like we can go up and, you know, change most of this stuff. This is like all politics. So I mean, I guess the best, at least if it's gonna happen still, at least try to make money off of it. I guess that's my approach. It's what I'm trying to get at. This one I would I don't know. If it breaks underneath what, like, was this 16? Oh, it's $16 what it's trying to go under. 16, 12, $16. Like under this level. This is the previous low from, I don't even know if this is valid though, because this is, I thought this just started trading. Let me check really quick. I think this one just started trading. Honestly, I think this one when it debuted, yeah, it just debuted. So I don't know if these historic levels are even valid at this point. On Webull, it only trades back to August or April 1st. So it doesn't even have any lows. The lows is on here is 1650. Yeah, and that was a few days ago. What was that, like the May 12th? Do you have this stock, Ferrari? I don't know if these levels are actually even valid for this one since it just, I guess, got relisted. But I would still keep an eye out. I think it's like $16 to watch. This is going to be that range there. If it gets underneath there, then I would probably get more puts. Right now, it looks like they combined Warner Brothers and Discovery Channel. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So, do you have this stock? I actually, it's funny, I saw the options on this one a while ago, and I never took the, I saw the options when they were coming in at around $20. So I could have made some money off of this. Let me see if I can find them for you. These are my trades that I basically harded. So these are the ones that I like to follow. This was back from April 11th. Somebody bought 10,000 puts for $20. Now these are already expired, right? But just like 2 weeks ago, they were buying puts. So I have 50K WBD. Let's see how far it can go. It's just been really crazy, the sell-off that's been happening with this one. Do they actually, are these the ones that have HBO Max, or do these guys have no, this is Paramount is different, right? I actually like Paramount. I don't have the subscription, but weren't they used to be Viacom, is that right? 50K of WBD. So you got a nice little investment portfolio, man. Congrats. That's very good. You've been loading up. Oh, we probably got these from the dividend, right? The spin-off from AT&T. What is AT&T trading at nowadays? Just curious also. This one looks to be on an uptrend. Nice. It's on an uptrend now, which is really good for it. It didn't really go down so much today. The company must prove itself before they can go up. This is HBO Max and Discovery. Okay, gotcha. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the HBO Max that much. I think my friend downloaded it and I basically logged in and stuff, but there's not a lot of offerings. Do they have any original channels on there? Or I do like Discovery though. I was watching Naked and Afraid the other night. So usually you watch some reality shows. Some of the Naked and Afraid show, I don't know if you guys seen it, but man, some of that I wouldn't even do it for money. So I don't know, I wouldn't. It's just a lot, and it's not funny, but it's funny because some people would go in there and then they end up leaving the first night. The one that I'm watching right now is Naked and Afraid XL. I think it's the newest one. Thanks. I made good money in 2021, but I lost 80% in 22. So when we go up, I will also sell all stocks. Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of people, and actually Josh was making a good point. I think when the SPY goes up to the VWAP is when people are selling. Like they're trying to get the most for their money, but they're still trying to dump the stuff they can. just because inflation and everything is going insane, man. It really is historic events that we're going through right now, isn't it? And we're living through history right now. Again, basically, because honestly, the 2000 financial crisis, I didn't live through it. I was still a kid, so I never experienced it. The 2000 bubble, I was barely born. So, what is the Octo channel? Octo channel. What is the Octo channel? Huh? Octo? Do you guys know what Octo means? Octo? Is that a stock? Oh no, that's not a stock. What do you guys think about Bitcoin? Also, you guys can let me know about Bitcoin. They were saying that some people want to liquidate it. It looks like it bottomed out around this level that I had marked out, like a fake sell. But some people were saying they want to liquidate people down here at the 20,000, 20K. I don't know if that'll happen, honestly, but yeah, once it broke this descending support, basically, no. Okay, sorry, man. I didn't know what you meant. I'm not sure what the Octo channel was. So I guess, are you guys interested in looking at some earnings for next week? We can take a look at earnings for next week. Obviously, earnings have been terrible, but we can still prepare ourselves for next week. The channel on YouTube called something with Octo. The guy promoted stocks. Oh, I know what you're talking about. You're talking about, I don't know if he promoted stocks. You're talking about, let me see if I can find it. Octus Multiplier? Yeah, I used to watch some of his stuff. So he hasn't really streamed or anything. Do you not follow him or something? Let me see. Let me see if I can find him. I know who you're talking about now. The Octopus Multiplier, right? That's Charlie. Do you watch him too or no? Yeah, I liked him. Well, at least when the bull run was there. But he hasn't really made any videos since, like, well, he made a lithium video. I think, is this the one you're talking about? Yeah. I liked him. He put me on some good stuff. Like Pfpe. I don't know if you guys seen Pfpe. It's a really good. Yes, you were in his channel. Yeah. Yeah. No, I watch his stuff. Do you? Yeah, I guess you watch his stuff too. Yeah, he honestly he's a good YouTuber. Yeah, he hasn't made any videos, but I like him. I like him. I thought you were saying he was pumping stocks. I don't think he pumped stuff. I think he, but after that all his stocks fall. Yeah, I like him. But you just got to be careful cuz there's a lot of like penny stocks and stuff, so but I learned a lot as far as like crypto wise. I learned how to get into Ecomi, Pfpe. What else did I get? I think he's good. He was in Polestar way before like anybody else, to be honest. Like I think he like long time ago. Like I actually found out about Polestar through Charlie. And what else? Tritium. I also found Tritium through him, like the DCFC, which is a good one. But yeah, yeah, see, he was following GGPI way before it was a thing, bro. So no, I like Charlie. He's a good one. You just gotta be careful with which ones you play. And actually, I learned a lot about the crypto stuff too. So, um, so yeah, I don't know. He hasn't done any videos though, so nah, don't exactly haven't watched his videos. But I follow him on Twitter. I think he's busy with his You could make a lot of money till 2021. Yeah, that's it. He had good tips. Yeah, I think in 2021, man, it was just really like buying anything, right? You could just buy anything and it would go up. And a lot of people made a lot of money, but then a lot of people lost a lot of money because they feel like that was just like euphoria, like it wasn't gonna stop. But reality is kicking in right now, right? I wanted to take a look at the earnings for next week. So this is going to be earnings Obviously, oh, actually, look at this. Zoom is gonna report next week. So this is Unusual Wells. I don't know if you guys have Unusual Wells. I'm gonna plug in my link if you guys want to sign up for it. You can actually get a small discount. It's like 5%, but 5% is 5%. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, you can even make a free account. But if you use my referral, you get 5%. But they already have the earnings ready for next week. I don't think Earnings Whisper has posted the stuff yet. So today's Wednesday. We have these earnings for Friday, but what I would be interested in is preparing yourself for earnings next week. So it looks like Zoom is reporting on Monday. What else is going to report that looks interesting? I think most of the earnings are actually behind us now, but Zoom looks like an interesting play. I actually want to pivot real quick and see where it's trading at. Zoom is such a clown stock, I think. I don't know. I don't know why people buy this. I mean, you can just buy Microsoft. Yeah, you can just buy Microsoft. Like our work uses Microsoft Teams. You can just buy Microsoft and invest. Like Microsoft is a good investment because I mean they just have the gaming stuff. Are they buying Activision? Is that right? Who's buying Activision? I forgot who's buying Activision. It might be Microsoft. Let me double check. But yeah, Microsoft, I mean they've turned it around into a growth stock. Who's buying Activision? Yeah, Microsoft. Okay. Yeah, Microsoft's buying Activision if it gets approved, right? But they have that sector. They have the workspace related. They have the operating systems. They have computer. They have the Surface Pros. Like, where is Microsoft trading at? Because this is a good long-term position, honestly. Okay. Yeah, we had this Head and Shoulders back here. So we were talking about this Head and Shoulders here. So the downside for Microsoft, I think would be somewhere, let's just mark it here. So you usually measure to the neckline and then you kind of move it back. But that's kind of crooked. Oh, it looks like it would be somewhere around this support level here, like this level right here, which is like 220, like 230. I would say 230 would be only PE of Microsoft is still very high. Oh, I haven't checked that. Let's go to Unusual Wells real quick, and you can actually look that up on Unusual Wells too. So definitely check out Unusual Wells. I posted the link there if you guys are interested in saving 5%. You can look up a bunch of stuff. Usually I use Unusual Wells for everything now. Got some technical analysis here. I don't really use this. I like to chart out my stuff myself. Let's take a look at the financials though here. And this might be a little small for you guys. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Okay, so yeah, this might be better. Oh, it's not letting me scroll down now. Okay, it might not be good to present it, but let me see if I can get, that's the only thing I don't like. I have a weird monitor. I have like a huge monitor. Let me see if I can find it one more time. I'll tell you the PE ratio of Microsoft. Basic earnings per share, like the full financial year, fiscal year is $8. So where is the earnings? What are we looking for again? Oh, we're looking for PE ratio. It's up here. Price to sales is 12. So price to earnings is 27. It's not terrible, actually. 27 is not terrible. So I think on average you want it to be between 18 and 25. I would say Disney is like expensive. Like if you take a look at Disney has a price to earnings of like 74. That's really expensive. And so look, you can just say what's a good PE ratio? What's a good PE ratio? And it will tell you like it's like 18 to 25. Anything below 15 is considered cheap. Stocks above 18 are thought as expensive. So okay, maybe I misunderstood that. But yeah, I don't think it's terribly expensive. Not as expensive as like some other stocks. But yeah, you can look up all the stats here on Unusual Wells, and you can also look at the options flow. Let's see. Let me answer some question. Only P ratio. I will hop. Sorry, I will hop on the stock market after Q3 when all the pain is processed. Interesting. So my buddy was saying that we rally all of Q2. Well, the remainder of Q2. Whatever's left. Q. Um. Let me go to the chart so we can visualize it. Actually, I do like Microsoft around 230 is probably where I would buy it because you can see it has like it's got these wicks here with this resistance. Basically, these are rejections. You know, got the wicks, came back up, but around this area, and it's got a support here, right? So I guess in conclusion, it tried to get up, rejected, try to get up, rejected, try to get up, rejected, try to get up, rejected. Finally broke up, came back. This is now a really good support because of all of that. And so now it pushed up. But I think that's going to be a really strong support again coming down. I think this will be a good area for Microsoft. Plus the PE ratio will probably come down. I don't know how to track all that. Excuse me, but yeah, and that's kind of where the head and shoulders pattern ends too, or roughly. So interesting, good caught there, good caught. Let's see, can you check the past PE ratio? I don't know, is that a thing? Can you do that? I don't know. I can definitely research it. There's this one website also that I've found that you can check previous PE ratios. I'll have to find it though, because let me go through my email. I signed up for it too. I try to use all the tools I can. This one is I gotta find it first before I tell you. I don't know what's the name of it. Just saying hi and let you know that I'm what? Okay. Okay. I guess I can't find it right now. I thought I made it with my... Oh, is it Wall Street Zen? Okay, yeah, it's Wall Street Zen. You can find, let's see if we can find it. You can find past, I mean, you might be able to find past stuff, but you can actually find, you can compare stuff. So this will actually, is it like a research tool? It's another research tool. And where's the place that I went to? Okay, right here, it's gonna have the PE ratio 27. We basically confirmed that. And then it's got due diligence checks here, financials. Where is the, this is the PE ratios, I think. Fair price is, yeah, here it is. So the company's PE ratio is 27 compared to the industry of its 6. So actually, you're right. It does have a very high PE ratio. The market, this is usually like the SPY and some other indexes, is about 2022. So yeah, you can compare the PE ratio of Microsoft to the stock market, like the SPY, and the market, the SPY is at a 22 price to sales, or price to earnings. But compared to their industry, specifically, the industry's a 6. So I agree actually with you about Microsoft. In a bear market, we can see PE ratio maybe of 15. Oh, okay. Would that be for the SPY, right? So you can compare Microsoft PE ratio and bad markets. This is what I know so far. Is that something similar to what you're saying? Let's see. Yeah, so this is actually a pretty good tool. I'm gonna bookmark it so I don't forget it. Oh, dang it. I didn't mean to sync my stuff. Okay, good. I didn't sync it. I didn't want to sync it with my personal email. It's still a bit expensive in my opinion. Okay, yeah, I think so too. I think you're right. You're right. You thinking the SPY is expensive, or you thinking... I think both are expensive right now. Let's see. I'm trying to get Trippy on. He's gonna drop some solid DD, but he's not here right now. So, what do you guys want? I mean, we can talk about anything. I just like talking about stocks. I wanted to look at Zoom just to, and actually we could even compare that in here just to get an idea of what their valuation is. Zoom, just to get an idea going into earnings. I think Zoom Communications, let's just look at the price to earnings, 19. Gross. Is that right? Well, actually, it's actually cheap. Okay, price to earnings 51 for the industry in 22. Are they profitable yet? It looks like they're profitable because they have the PE. That's right. Let me go to, this is another good website I like, Doco. I have a few different websites I like. Go look at their 27 billion market cap, 250 million outstanding shares. Price to sales is 6. Price to earnings is 20. Let's look at their revenue real quick. 1 billion, so about 4 billion each year. So what's their earnings per share? $1.61. So they're profitable. Zoom is profitable? I didn't know that. That's crazy. Okay. What's their earnings expectation though? What are they expected to make? They're expected to do 88 cents. 1.07 billion. What do you guys think about the stay-at-home stocks? Do you guys still like stay-at-home stocks, or do you guys rather? This one's, I don't know. I've just never been a fan. Greg Johnson, what's up, man? Where do you think Tesla is going? Let's take a look. This is one I haven't really looked at right now. Okay, so see, I've traded this one before, but yeah, so basically we had this nice and then broke out, came back down. Let's see where we're at. It looks like it's coming back to touch the lows from February. This is actually a really strong support. I don't know if it breaks under. Do you guys think it breaks under? It's already tried to break under once, like right here. What was it, just a few days ago? It does have that selling pressure from Elon possibly selling shares and stuff because of Twitter, like all the drama. Let me just clear some of this stuff out real quick. I was trading Tesla back in October. I can't believe I was doing this. Yeah, Tesla's been on a massive run, massive pullback. I might just clear some of these things really quick just to make it easier on us. Let me clear some of this stuff out. I think, yeah, stay-at-home stocks just don't pump anymore. It's not the same, bro. It's not how it was no more. Tesla's doing great though, as far as like just what they're doing. I think the only thing that's really like holding it down, didn't they get removed from the Pfpe or something? I saw that came out today. Let me see. Let me double check. Did Tesla get removed from the Pfpe S&P 500? Is that right? Or was it a different index that it got? I think it's like an ESG index. What? I don't know. Did they really get removed? What is the ESG index? Like the green index? Does the Pfpe 500 devoted to highly here? I'll share it with you guys. You guys can see it. Is this the regular index? It says ESG, so I don't know what this means. I've always just known it as Pfpe 500, but I'm also newer to the stock market. I've only been doing it for like 3 years or 4 years. Actually, I just came up on my 4-year anniversary. Let's go. I don't know what I'll be doing for my 5-year anniversary, but maybe it'll be lit. S&P 500 index devoted to highlighting companies excelling at ESG, which stands for environmental, social, governance issues. From the index, it explained in a blog on Tuesday. Oh, racial discrimination and poor working conditions. Actually, I could agree with that. I don't know if I would agree with them getting removed, but I've heard that Tesla workers get overworked for sure. Main American factory as well as safety investigations. That's insane. You know, and it's just to get those delivery numbers, right? I didn't know anything about this racial discrimination though. That's new to me. Take care. I'm going to sleep. I am from Netherlands. 1 in the morning here. See you soon. Hey man, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate you and we had a good conversation. I hope to see you in the next stream. So yeah, and you guys comment any tickers or anything. I don't have an agenda today, so I just wanted to go live and talk about any stocks. Spy. What happened with? But yeah, take care for Hadi. Hopefully, I say that name correctly. I'll hope to see you in the next one. So that's crazy. Is that the entire S&P that it got removed? Oh, this is another thing I was looking at. I just lost my article. Let me find my article. Is it this one? Oh no. I was actually reading some stuff on Tesla today too. It says the Tesla supercharger network is now open to all the electric vehicles, which is cool. Tesla announced makes of EVs can now use their supercharger networks for public charge points in UK. So maybe I need to cover Tesla more on this channel. What do you guys think? I usually cover Polestar. Are you guys fans of Polestar? Usually cover Polestar. I sometimes throw in a little bit of Lucid, but just kind of like nothing. Oh, look at this. Polestar's in here. Oh, shoot. A total of 558 chargers across 15 sites are part of the UK scheme, which will allow owners of all EVs to make use of rapid charging points that were only once accessible to the sexy models. Interesting. So I guess this is just in UK for now. Do you guys know, are the supercharger networks open to people here in the US? So it looks like Tesla's going to be raking in some money. 0.60 euros per kilowatt. Or what is that? Is that right? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Interesting. I didn't know that. That's more than double what Tesla owners pay. Hey, look, the 69. Is that a meme? Is he making this as a meme or no? Tesla is really going to be killing stuff, isn't it? They're doing good. Subscription of 10, like, for a monthly trial. Okay. I see you, Tesla. Okay, I'm going to close this out. Let's look at Tesla's chart. I think he wanted me to look at the chart. So I think it's actually at a strong support. I don't see it going down, honestly. If it does, it would be all the way down to what? 550? Let's see, maybe also here 620, was that 627? Just what I'm seeing real quick. So like around this level here, like 630, and then 550 is the other support. I'm actually gonna clear some of this out because we don't need this. This is past history, so we don't really need this. And we're gonna clear this out too. I don't see it going down unless I think it would get bought up if it comes down to 600. I think people would buy it up because I think they're trying to get a new stock split, right? So that's just another, I wouldn't say an excuse, but another catalyst. Greg says if we get back into the 600s, that would be insane. I agree. But it has, I think if it gets back to the 550, it would be, this would be like 2020 levels, right? No, this will be pre-split 2020 levels. 2020 levels now is down here, which is $60 or $70. Wow. That's insane. It does have a battle to work up back up past 800 though, right? Kind of these levels up here. Right here, I would say. What is this? 820, 830? This is the levels that it's gonna fight against, like right here. Like right here and here, kind of like right here. It could also just trade sideways, you know? Could trade within this range here, like kind of in this range, and then finally break out. Or break down. You know, right now I don't know what the market is doing. Where do you see this going, Greg? Just curious, because Tesla being removed from the S&P was pretty shocking, honestly. I don't know, is that the actual S&P? And let's see, we can actually also look at, I'm gonna close this out over here on this end. I want to find the earnings. Did you guys check out that last? Do you guys like Robinhood? I like Robinhood. I think it's gonna get acquired. It'd be an easy place to park money, I think, because they have a good balance sheet. Let me just show you guys. I'm kind of diverging, but if you guys want, we could talk more about Tesla if you guys want. Just seeing if anybody has any feedback. But Robinhood has a good balance sheet. They only have an 8 billion market cap, right? That's how much the company's worth. And I mean, on average, they're saying $14. I don't really follow the analysts. Analysts are like, their opinions don't mean as much as they used to back then. Where is their cash on hand? 10 billion cash on hand? Isn't that crazy? And see, this is the last time that how does a company have $10 billion cash on hand and it's only worth $8 billion? Like, that's insane to me. So yeah, I think Robinhood is going to be a great acquisition target. Plus it's got, like, you know, a whole bunch of ties to the memes, and I just made a video on something that they dropped. They basically are working on NFTs now, so I would check that out. This is SoFi. I also want to look at SoFi really quick just to get their balance sheet because I don't remember. They have 1.7 billion in cash. Wow. But I think the revenues is wrong. For some reason, Doku doesn't update the revenues correctly here. They do have a really good balance sheet though. They're only worth 5.5 billion. So SoFi and Robinhood, I do like. I think they can get acquired just for their platform or whatever they have. Greg says, I can't see it dropping much lower because everyone's going to want to get back in. That's true. Yeah, I wouldn't see it dropping too much further either. The only thing I would say is people this time could be afraid to jump back in because of the current market conditions, right? But I think maybe we can drop a little bit more. This is the OBV, so maybe we can come back here and then we go back up. So let me show you. So yeah, maybe like 670, or maybe 670. Make and then just depending if we break underneath here, then things are gonna get bad, right? Because we're gonna come all the way back down to these levels, probably here, honestly. So I don't know. The only thing I would be worried is everyone's scared to buy the dip. I think some people just want a rally so they can sell their stuff and then just step away for a bit. But I think the summer should be hot for us. I think the SPY should do good. Let's see, SPY. If we can get back above 400 this time and actually hold it. So we got up there, right? We got up there, but we couldn't hold this level. So now that's why we're selling. So our next level is 385 really. And we can basically work our way back out like that. So it might take some time, unless like something's miracle happens. I think it'll probably take some time to get back up to those levels, because we first got to find a bottom, then we got to make a U-turn, and then we got to keep going up. I don't know. That's just my thinking though, and I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. So that's what I'm seeing there, guys. Let's see. I did want to look at Zoom because I think they have earnings next week, and I want to get ahead of the game. I know you guys are saying you guys don't see much going for Zoom. They're expected to do 88 cents per share, which is actually a decrease, I think. Yeah, decrease from $1 last quarter. And let's look at their, this is Q date ending. This will be their Q2 earnings, right? That'd be 1, 2, 3. Is that right? June. Be this one. Is that right? No, it'd be this one. So it'd be 4th, 3rd, 2. It'd be this one. Wouldn't it be this one? I'm confusing myself now. I think it's this one. This one says July, date ending in August. Okay, never mind. This one's date period ending in April. It's gonna be this one. The period ending in April. So last year they did almost $1 in sales or earnings, and this year they're losing growth. So I think it could be a fair value, but let's look at their expected move. How about that? We take a look at their expected move real quick. By the way, this is Unusual Wealth, so if you guys don't follow them. 16% implied move, and they're trading at 84. So was it 16% straight up? 16.3 straight up. Okay, let's take a look at the expected move. So 84.69 times, it would be 83.7. Is that right? It would probably come down to $70. That's what it looks like. $70 or 98. $70 or $100 basically. I'm honestly gonna play the downside too soon. Let's look at the chain for them. Gonna go back to the Unusual Wealth platform. You guys can check them out. Like I said, I'm gonna go to, just type in Zoom just to get an overview of their flow. So slightly more bearish, 58% bearish premium today. Let's just look at the overall breakdown. We're gonna go to the full chain breakdown, and earnings is next week. That's where they have most of their volume, also 7.2K volume. And let's look at the puts for this side. I was looking at 70. So most of these are, oh look, this one has $1,000 volume, 800. Eddie Guetta, what's up, man? Sweet, you're live. It's been a while. Hope you've been good. Yeah, man. I've been doing pretty good. How you doing? Hey, I appreciate you joining the stream. The Discord's been pretty quiet. Yeah, Mojo ended up leaving the Discord, but it's all good. Yeah, I remember you, Eddie. I know you're a good dude. You're a good dude. Yeah, the Discord's kind of been quiet. I think a lot of people step away when it's what was I gonna say? I think people step away when it's like bloody out there, you know? So nice to see you got more people watching. Yeah, I got some couple viewers, so it's nice to have them in here. And some people actually talk now, so that's good. I appreciate everyone watching. And I think this is a historic moment too, you know, in the stock market. So I think a lot of people can end up making a lot of money. And so I just want to be a part of it, you know. Anyway, we have, honestly, we don't really have that many contracts on the bullish side. Is that right? At least calls. You don't have that many calls. Everything is to the downside. I mean, you have the 85s here, and that's for today's volume. You have the 1,000 volume. I doubt it goes down. Do you guys think Zoom would go down to $40? That would be insane. Eddie, are you working right now? I know you said you would join sometimes when you're doing the... Look at these contracts though for next week. They're $43. That's insane. I might pick up a few 70s. Well, I might pick up a few of the 70 or the 50s. These had a ton of volume, and the 70s are actually super bearish. Yeah, let me actually write this down. Like I said, earnings isn't out on Earnings Whisper yet, but I was trying to get ahead of it, and you can actually just take a look at the earnings on Unusual Wealth. Did I post that link for you guys? I didn't think I posted the link. Let me post it for you. If you guys want to save a little bit, use my code for 5%. Sorry, let me get some water real quick. Yeah, and I got some paper too, because I want to write these down. These are some earnings for next week. So I'm not really too interested in the rest of the earnings this week. Obviously, Target and all that were the big plays this week. I don't think there's any... Oh, see, this is also crazy. I saw Neo is on here, but I didn't see it on Earnings Whisper. So that'll be something to watch. Was it tomorrow? Is tomorrow Thursday? Dude, I get so confused with my days now. Anybody else go through that? Actually, I'll be watching Neo tomorrow, because if they do have earnings tomorrow, that'd be crazy, because it didn't show up on Earnings Whisper. I can show you guys. I didn't see it. Let's see if I can find the sheet. can open it first. How's everyone doing today, though? You guys have any tickers you guys want me to cover? Let me pin this comment too. You guys can comment any stuff you guys want. I pinned the unusual whales to the top if you guys want to use them. Let me open this bad boy up. I'm gonna resize it so we can see it better. 1300. There we go. Yeah, so I didn't see. This is the earnings for Earnings Whisper this week. I didn't see Neo on here. So I don't know, are they having earnings tomorrow or not? I don't know, it'd be something to watch. I know this one's going to be a huge play. BJ's Warehouse Club. They're basically like Sam's and Costco. But just from Target and Walmart like selling off, I think BJ's might sell off as well. And honestly, I saw a big sell order or some puts on this one. When was it? Oh, I posted it on Twitter. I can share it with you guys too. Let me close this up a little bit so it stays out of the way for us. Yeah, I posted some flow on here for you guys earlier. Yeah, that's me crying right there. So as a market lesson to everybody, at least in this condition, I'm trying to not hold positions overnight anymore because I was up on a few calls yesterday and I was like, all right, I got greedy basically. And so I got greedy and I ended up, now I'm down on some positions, you know. If I would have just took my profits yesterday, you know, I would have woke up today and I would have seen the downside. I would just bought puts, but that's a lesson I'm trying to learn. Anyway, that BJ earnings is tomorrow. If you guys have time, go check out the flow on here. It's on my Twitter. I just posted a few earnings orders. Basically, what I'm showing you guys here, though, is the support level here. Around, I'm not sure, is it 54? It basically closed underneath there. So I'm expecting it to definitely come down to 45. Well, not definitely, but I would expect it to come down to 45. Then I also saw this order come in. It was a $1.28 million put order. It was 8,000 contracts. So I would check that out. And if you guys have time, yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter. I post some of this stuff a lot. I try to. I work, so sometimes I don't. But yeah, follow me on Twitter if you guys want. And you can use, I have the link there too for you guys for unusual whales. Omar Harris SQQQ. Oh, dude, I think that was like up huge today. Wasn't it like 15% or something? Let me just write Zoom real quick because that's something that I'm looking at for earnings next week. And okay, now we're good. Greg, all I'm really holding right now is GGPI. Nice. Yeah, that's the only safe. SPACs, I guess, are the only safe. Well, I wouldn't say SPACs are the only safe thing. I would say SPACs with good targets are good. This thing is about to break out, dude. It's insane. Hey, Omar, do you think this continues going into tomorrow? Just curious. It looks like it's coming to the resistance level here. It looks bullish though. That's insane, dude. This thing is crazy. Honestly, the volume, the OBV has, I mean, wow. It's doing something, bro. It's already above the 200 moving average, which I don't really follow. I don't really use the moving averages. I just like to track the price action. See where we're at. Yeah, this is gonna be the monthly support here. Was it like 60? This thing still was it at 62, I guess? 63 somewhere. Arthur, what up, man? Hey, I needed you in here. Hey, just getting here. I've been watching so far. Maybe you can give a take on that. It is the 3x leverage for QQQ downside. Let me see really quick. Yeah, we can. What do you think? Do you think, Omar, do you think this continues going or what's up? Help me out. Ayúdame. Yeah, I know the Spanish. I got the Spanish. Have you been buying GGPI? Honestly, GGPI at these levels are good. I think I've mentioned that a few different times. We basically had a double bottom down here. I don't know if you were here on the last stream, but it looks like a double bottom. Still can happen. But like what's crazy is the days range. It only went from 1020 to 1029, like 9 cent difference. Like it didn't really do anything at all. Is that right? Or is the trading view wrong? Let me just see real quick. I'll check on Webull. The trading range for Polestar today was, the open was 1028, the high was 1029, the low was 1020. Yeah, I didn't do anything today. That's insane. I think a lot of people would either just not selling, but they're just not buying either. I don't know. I think this one, let's see, when QQQ and NQ goes down as QQQ goes up 3 times. Gotcha. Yeah, so it's just a leverage ETF. It's the opposite of the SPY, or no, it's the opposite of the QQQ. That's what you're saying. Hey, just getting here. Okay, got that one. Oh, he wants me to look at. What do you think about this, Omar, though? What do you think about? Yeah, man, when NQ hit new lows. What is NQ? NASDAQ? You talking about NASDAQ? Okay, NASDAQ. My bad, man. This thing is crazy. So when it hit new lows. Oh, wait, yeah. Let me reread this. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up on some comments here. We'll hit new highs, so if the market gets more bearish, we'll definitely retest 62 and hit new. Oof. Intra New Year highs. That's insane. I kind of want to go back to that one. Yeah, 60, what, 63-ish? I think tomorrow we get, I don't, actually, I'm gonna shut up because I don't know if I'm actually bullish for tomorrow. I want to be bullish because I have a few calls, but I don't want to be bullish because, okay, let me show you. I think I already showed a couple people in here. I think we're gonna come back and retest, what was it, 385? Because we're basically breaking back underneath this. I think this could happen in the pre-market though, so this could probably happen in the pre-market. The main thing for us to get back is get above 400, come down, support that, and then continue. Like, obviously that first time it didn't work out. We came up and then we sold off because we couldn't hold that level. So 385 I think is something definitely possible, and hopefully we hold this, because if not, then we're going to come down to what, 370, and then like you said, that would make the SQQQ go up. This thing is doing stupid crazy though, isn't it? Yes sir. All right, let me help out. Yeah, I feel everyone has their position in GGPI. Yeah, I think so too. And like, I think people are probably, I've talked about this also a while. People are just selling calls, like covered calls, basically. They've been selling covered calls to make money. Like, there's like 20,000 contracts for $15. I don't think that's realistic. That's for what, 2 days? Like, people have just, and I'm not saying people, I'm probably talking about like big money, like institutions. They've been selling their calls to retail because they know it's not going to move. So and if it does move, then they'll get like the premium, plus they'll get their shares executed at 15. So it's a win-win for them. So if you guys have shares, I mean, it's a little late now, but that's what you guys should have been doing, was selling covered calls. So yeah, I think a lot of people have their position. It's not like a lot of people are selling their shares. They're just selling covered calls in the meantime. I got you, Arthur. We'll take a look at SoFi. Let me just read this Omar comment. So when NQ and QQQ crash, okay, or go lower, then their intra-year lows. SQQ will go up and hit, right? Yes, you're correct. Triple leverage ETF short for QQQ. Damn, my man's in the leverages. Let me see if no problem. Thanks for checking it out, bro. Oh, Groski. Okay. So what's the top for this, man? What are you thinking? Is it gonna be this range level here? I think if it gets above this, then it can get dumb, no? Or what? Yeah, I think this is where it's trying to break out of this here. And the volume, I mean, you can just see the volume been kicking up for a minute now. Volume's volume's going insane. And which is funny though, because SPY has been doing the opposite, I think. Like the volume hasn't been great. It's been alright. It's been alright. Alright, let me help out the homie Arthur. He helped me out last time, so SoFi actually held up. I remember it. Let me see. Where is it at? I think it closed at 7, right? Yeah. This is crazy. We've kind of talked about this one for a while. We were saying, and actually we covered this one when it was at $6 or $5. Yeah, it had this bear flag of some sort, but if it broke out, then it would run up, right? That's basically what happened. Right now it still looks good. It looks really good because it's holding these levels up here. Was it $7? Yeah, it's holding $7. So I don't know about short squeezes and stuff. Actually, I do know about short squeezes, but I don't like to talk about short squeezes because then it doesn't happen and then people get mad at me. But the short interest for SoFi was going up the other day when I checked. Yeah, it's been going up actually since a few days ago. Like it used to be at 3.4. That's how much they're paying to borrow to borrow shares, but also people that are already shorting SoFi, that's how much they're paying right now. So if they have a short position right now, they're paying that percentage. And it's been going up. So was that yesterday? 4.9, 4.6. It basically almost doubled today. 7.5. And also what's crazy is the shares are going down. So there was like 2 million shares available. Like people could borrow 2.1 million shares yesterday for 4.9%. Today, they can only borrow 40,000. Like that's only the available shares available, right? And the price to borrow these has doubled. So that's a little bit about the short stuff. You can even see this like visually. These blue lines are all the shares that were available. The available shares has dropped, right? But let's see if I can show you the does it show the fee? Yeah, the fee. This is the fee for it. It's crazy. It's been going back up. It doesn't let me zoom in, but right here is the borrow fee rate, right? 1%, just like 3% just last week, 2%. It's rising, right? So as this is rising, and then the shares is coming down, they're basically crossing. It's a good way to say it, right? And I don't know if that's gonna cause a squeeze, because SoFi has a huge float, by the way. So I don't know if a squeeze happens, but it definitely has that buying pressure. Like people aren't selling it because some investors, I don't want to say they're dumb, but because it's not a dumb company, it's a good company. But I'm just saying, some like AMC, like they don't know how to sell. They're stubborn, is what I'm saying. So some investors are stubborn. So and it's fine because they're long-term investors. They believe in the company. So they don't care about the market conditions, right? They plan to hold this for 5-10 years, whatever it may be. And so people are holding their shares, plus people are buying around these levels, which is causing the fee to go up. And who knows, maybe shorts double down on some stuff, and try to bring it back down so to, shake people out. But it doesn't look like it's working because we had, what, 4% down day today, and SoFi closed 2.5% up, which is insane. I actually bought a few shares down here at 5.15. I think I've talked to you guys about that. So it looks good, and I think the resistance is around $8. Let's go back up to $8. Let's see. So that was just my little spiel on short squeezes and stuff. And I think we also talked about the resistance, right? So the next resistance is up at this level here. $8, about, was that $8? About 780, 780. That's where it came down last time. It came down here, right? And then it struggled to get down there. So this level here is going to be the resistance, and then we're going to move up to this range here, and this was it $10 psychologically, just going to be a strong resistance, and I guess $9 too. So it could trade in this range here for a while if it can get up there. So that's it for now, I think. What do you guys think? Does that make sense? Am I making myself look like an idiot? That's what I'm seeing. And like I was saying, the support is actually pretty good. At least $7. We've kind of had it here. It's been a resistance at some point, and it's closing above it. So I like it. But that's just me though. So definitely do your own research. What are you guys thinking? Is there any other stocks you guys are interested in? I think Omar left. Did Omar leave? Let's see, where we at? SQQ. I just want to go back into it. Yeah, this looks, if it breaks, what, 60, 63? Yeah, it's gonna get nutty. Let me clear some of that out. That's on the 1 hour, by the way. All this stuff was on the 1 hour. This is daily now. You guys want to talk about any earnings coming up? We have BJ's. This is BJ. I'm just going to show you BJ. What I was talking about earlier. So this sell-off right here, was it like 17%? It was like 15%. All that, well, yeah, you can see it here actually. That was basically as a commodity, like, or a sympathy for the commodity. Well, not commodities, the consumer staple stuff. So hey, what's up? Omar still in here. Let's go. That's bullish. Omar being in here is bullish. All right, so get your Omar calls. That SQQQ, I'll watch. It looks nice too. Yeah, I would watch it. I would just also just be careful though too, like, because it usually some people start buying the FOMO and then it actually starts retracing that day. Like I think we were talking about wheat. Some people were buying wheat on Monday, and I told people to kind of wait because, like, it's basically buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So over the weekend, the wheat news came out, and people started piling stuff, and it hasn't done anything since. So these 3 days, you're basically just losing premium, right? So I would just wait, just to see, I guess just see how the market reacts. How is the futures, by the way? Are the futures down? Let me take a look real quick. SPY. I do like the, oh shit, this is dumping, ain't it? 390. Let's go back to the SPY and see where it's at. I do like the leverage though. The one that I mentioned one on Twitter was ARK. It's TARK. It's the 2x innovation of ARK. It just came out a few days ago. What was it, like 2 weeks ago? This is 2x leverage, the ARK ETF, so to the long side. It's basically the opposite of Shark or SARK or whatever. So that one's cool. Let's see. He said, I'm doing my research right now real quick. Oh, I'm eating. Okay, gotcha, bro. Hey, yeah, that's bullish though. Do you guys think Cathie Wood is good though, or do you guys, nah? Is it? If you guys don't mind, just take a second and hit the like button for me so we can get more people in here. That'd be awesome to have more people watching and having more people comment. Just, if you can do me a favor, just hit that like button for me. It's not going to do anything. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I'm just trying to get some more exposure to other people. Let's see if we have any clout in here. Hey, let's go. I got a little bit of clout here. 69. That's bullish. Look, I got 69 hearts. Bullish. Okay. Where are we at now? We can go back. I'm chilling right now though. Everybody chilling? Hey Omar, what research you doing? Here, I'm gonna go on my phone and like my own video real quick. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. Actually, yeah, we got 3 likes in that bitch now. Let's go. You guys listen to Future? What do you guys listen to? I've been listening to a lot of Ye recently. Kanye West, Mr. West. I want the old Kanye. I miss the old Kanye. So what else are we talking about, guys? What else? Let's go back to the earnings. And let's actually finish Zoom. I like SoFi though. I think Arthur's doing it right over there at SoFi. Arthur LLC. What is this again? Oh, this is Zoom. I think I'm gonna get the puts for Zoom. I'm looking at, where are we at here? Let's just zoom in and see if we can plug it up. So there's like support there, because that is actually a good support, because if you go all the way here, this would be a good support. You go here, here, and then it's a nice support kind of. I think Omar, here's my thesis for SQQQ when NQ future retest the intra-year low. Can I find that in here? I've never done. Nah, this is strategies, bro. And they're trying to get me, trying to catch me slipping. NQ, I guess, is just the future. There we go. I didn't need to do the D on there, the slash. Okay, so when here's my thesis. Investing Sensei showed up. What's up, Investing Sensei in the house? Let's see. Here's my thesis. When NQ retest intra-year low, where's that at? Let's go to the, where would that be? That is it down here? This is March 2021. SQQQ would retest 62 at the same time. 1186. It's like right here. Yeah. 69, is that a meme or not? Are you serious? I think he's serious. Yeah, it's like right here. This is gonna be the support level he's talking about. And if NQ breaks support at the low, whatever percentage goes down, we'll do the same percentage that times 3. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, so we're at critical levels, right? So this follows the SQQ, is what you were saying? So what, I think tomorrow's a chill day though, right? Would you agree or nah? Tomorrow's a chill day. Tomorrow we try to break out, maybe do some sideways. Right, maybe do some sideways. If we get rejected, it comes down. If it doesn't, then it's going to the moon. Would it go to the moon, you think? I think tomorrow would be chill day, you know? But me personally, like me just being like realistic, like it's too soon for a stock market crash. I don't know, like there's not enough stuff that has developed for the stock market crash. So I think tomorrow would be a chill day. It'd probably be like another one of these. You see how it's kind of done this right here? Probably be something like that, where it goes up to 63, but it doesn't really break out. I feel like it might be something like this. Like it did this, right? Something like that. And then it sells off like this, right? So it sells off like that. And then the next final run, which would probably be, you know, I don't know when it would be, maybe third quarter. I think third quarter would be like, yo, this is for real. This is the crash. And that kind of matches up to some of the thesis from the AMC apes. Are you guys AMC apes? No, I have an AMC ape in the Discord. He talks about AMC apes. But what was it? No, I lost a lot of money on AMC. But you can't stay mad at the game, bro. You know? You just gotta learn from it. So I'm trying to get better at it. This is Trippy in here. He said he was trying to come on, but I'm not home. I just got signal. He's probably somewhere, so he doesn't have the DD right now. But we're gonna get some DD for you guys. We'll post it. We were live the other day. We were chilling though too. It was a vibe for real. Mojo came in. He was big mad actually. I was gonna say little mad, but he was big mad. Rockefeller, my home. So what do you guys want to talk about? I think tomorrow we go sideways. Yeah, I think that makes sense actually. I am. I was up 8K now. I'm up 300. Oh shoot. Are we bullish? I'm getting calls on Omar because he's bullish on the SQQ. What do you think about this little thesis though? This little thesis I made up. I secured profits in my other account though, thank God. Yeah, God's good. God's good. So what do you think about this little thesis I was coming up with? It's like that Majin Buu from Vegeta, Dragon Ball Z. You know what I'm saying? To kind of go up like that. I think this is gonna be the fake crash where people get trapped and then it comes down like that. That's what I'm thinking though. And then it comes down to these levels, what, 45, the support level here. So somewhere around there, and then kind of works back up. Because over time, it's kind of been doing these higher highs now, or these higher lows. I always get confused on these, right? Like with those. So I'm expecting maybe one more right there. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was for AMZ. Okay, gotcha. No, yeah, I lost a lot of money with them too, man. It was a scam. But I'm not going to say that because there's people in there, you know, still in here, you know, holding for everybody. But I think higher highs, right? So maybe like another retouch of that 45. So that's why I would say don't get too excited about like a crash like this month. There's just not enough developed. Like commodities have to basically crash before, well, they have to go to their all-time highs. It's what I was watching. They have to go to their all-time highs and then they have to crash, and then the stock market will crash. If you guys don't watch Maverick of Wall Street, I'm just gonna plug him in. I don't get paid or anything for it. It's just I don't watch many YouTube channels. Like you guys can see, I don't watch that many YouTube channels. I just have, you guys can see, I have 69 subscribes. That's it. That's just for the memes. I keep it at 69 for the memes. But you guys go check out Maverick. That's the only person I really watch on YouTube. Go watch this guy. I don't get paid or anything, but he does a nice breakdown of stuff on the daily. He just tell you about the stock market. Let's see. So check him out if you guys are interested in learning about the market. But he had a video. Where was it? His videos are pretty long, so I usually play him at night and fall asleep. But no, there was a video in here talking about the commodity crash before the SPY and stock market crashes. So that really stuck with me. So I'm gonna hold true to that. Let's see. And I agree, we get new intra-year lows for intraday lows for NQ. Ew, yeah. Yeah. Hey, wait, what happened? Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think, I mean, honestly, take a look at this. This is gross. Like I don't know if you guys know, but this is a head and shoulders pattern. You can actually see it better on the SPY. Let me see if I can show you. This is something I've talked about a long time ago. I actually got trapped. I thought the head and shoulders was this one. Like I was so ahead of it. I thought this was the head and shoulders, and I got trapped down here. Like my puts were worthless and then freaking rallied. So that's why the algorithms are so like, they basically paranoid me. Like, what's the word? I got paranoid. But this is the, like, I thought this was the shoulder. This is the actual shoulder. So it's like up here, right? The downside for this, I think, was 380. So I think we have maybe one more leg down before a rally. Let me just make sure. So the head, let's just see if we can pull something up. Just gonna pull this out. We're just, that's dirty. About right there. So yeah, like this is the range where the head and shoulders finishes, which is like 385. Well, actually not too much more downside, I would say. Instead of sending flowers, we the roses. Yeah, I think this is a head and shoulders pattern. I mean, you can look it up. I'm sure you guys know what this is, but usually, let me show you. I'll try to show a good illustrated, simple example. This one's okay. This one's good. This one's good because it shows you the distance. Actually, this one's good too. Now, let me go back to the other one, actually. So this is the head and shoulders. Can you guys see this? I'm going to pull it up in a different, so you guys can see it. I'm going to zoom in too. Oof, I can't be showing all that, boy. Yeah, we got the shoulders, and then the distance is the head down to the bottom. This will be your target area. So that's what I was thinking, Omar. What are you thinking, though? Talk to me, King. Yeah, we're gonna close all that. And I think that's it. That's all I got. Oh, we haven't even talked about earnings. I was trying to do Zoom, but got distracted. Yeah, I got the support, which is, what is this? 105, which we already broke. This is Zoom, by the way. We got that support there. See if we can find some more support levels. I guess this one is a good support, which is 75. So $9. And then probably down here, 62. What's crazy though is like we were seeing those the flow for Zoom. Everybody was buying $40 puts. Find it really quick. So I think I'm gonna get some puts, just a few. And, you know, you don't want to over leverage yourself. I'm gonna get a few puts for Zoom for earnings next week, but I'm gonna probably wait till Friday, because I don't know if tomorrow, what's tomorrow, Thursday, there might be a rally. I don't know what happens tomorrow. I just don't want to burn premium. Earnings for Zoom is on Monday though, so Monday after close. So it could, honestly, it could, if Thursday, Friday we have green days, Monday could be green too, and then that's when you get your puts. But I don't know, there's so many ways you can play this one, right? Let me actually look at, so I think puts for Zoom, and actually let me look at the IV crush, because before I decide on how I'm playing that. Zoom, let's see how many, what's the data and all that. Zoom, we'll go to earnings, implied moves. So expected 12 moves. No, we don't care about that. Yeah, it has a high IV crush. Implied volatility crush is 25%. So I might just do like a spread or something, or a debit. I wouldn't do straight up puts, but they are pretty cheap, honestly. So I don't know. I still got to kind of figure that out. I'll be testing SPY in QQQ to retest lows and see if they bounce. Yeah. That's what I would be doing too. Because if it bounces off, what was it? I'll be watching SPY for sure. I think retouch 85, and then that would be the head and shoulders pattern technically. It's just been insane, like how much percentage we lost in what, like a month? See how much percent that was. We've lost from the highs, not even the high, but 16%. That's more than a correction. I think corrections are usually like 8 or 10%. Is that right? So I'll be watching SPY and QQQ. I haven't even followed QQQ. I need to do that. Which is just the long version, right? This one's all, they all look pretty similar, to be honest, right? I think, I don't know, man. It's a crazy market, am I right? This is a nice support, is what I'm trying to tell you. I'm hoping for a bounce. I think today was buy the bounce, buy the dip, and let's go to the moon. But I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, and I've said that before, and it kept selling off. So, what did I want to look up though? Anticipated earnings. XPEV is reporting next week. Oh, that's interesting actually. XPEV, I think, did good last earnings. They actually moved a lot. No? When did they move? Nah, they got dumped. Wait. Let's just look at this one. They surprised beat 108%, 42%. What did they do for price action though? Let's take a look here. They didn't move at all. Well, they did, but not really. They closed down at 27 and opened at 20. Yeah, they didn't move for earnings. So they might not be moving for earnings, actually. Let's see if they have implied move. What their implied move. This is unusual wells. I got the pinned comment. 10% move, so like $2 is what it looks like. Take a look really quick. It's at 10%, so about $2.30. is what it's looking like. So $25. Let's see. Omar said, to be honest, SPY, QQQ, and the futures are all the same. NQ father of the QQQ, and he has father of SPY. Hey, that's a nice way to put it. Xpand looks nice though. I would say it looks kind of nice. I'm not biased, by the way. I don't really follow Chinese stocks. It doesn't look bad though. It looked like it bounced off of these lows. I mean, previous lows, but also had lows down here, right? So lows here, low there, low there. Looks like it's trying to work back up. So I would say, let's see, maybe like here. This looks interesting. $29, $30. That makes sense psychologically. And 25, I would assume, would be another support that's going to be hard to get through. Yeah. I would watch it closing above 24. Hopefully I can continue going to 30 after that. Let me clear some of this. I hate leaving stuff in my chart. Try to be clean as possible, but I just like clean charts, you know? You know what I'm saying? Drive slow, homie. I've been playing Kanye all day, bro. You guys listen to Kanye? But I miss the old Kanye. This is that crap. Oh, I can't say that on there, bro. Chill. Family business. This is a good one. Family business. You know. Yeah, that's a good one. Not really the same, but they move very similar. I'm an AMC DGen. Haha. I'm learning. I'm 22. I use Unusual Wells as well. Love how much the UI has been upgraded. I know, bro. That's insane. They've been killing it. Yeah, I really like it. What's your strategy on Unusual Wells? It'd be nice to know. Hey, you young though. You got a long way to go. Like, no, you have a huge opportunity to make like some really good money. Like, take advantage of it, you know. And you're starting out pretty early. I think when I started, I was, sheesh. I can't be putting my age out there, but no, you're doing good. Keep it up. Yeah, and definitely using the Unusual Wells is gonna help you just like know the direction of the money and stuff. Like I've been using the free version, and then I got the actual live stuff, and it's a big difference, man. Plus, I mean, you can like just do like your DD. Been listening to the new Kendrick? Yo, that K dot, bro. I didn't know I needed K dot as much as I did, you know. But then when you listen to it, you're like, yeah, this was it. What's your favorite track on there? Just curious. But anyway, before I get distracted, yeah, using Unusual Wells, like you can actually just do the DD after work. Like you don't even have to follow the live flow. Like right now it's still open, you know, the market's closed, but you can do some research, you know, if I want to do some AMC 8 DGen DD. Yeah, we'll pull it up the AMC vibes. Oh, this is my trades. I was watching this one for some reason. I will agree though, AMC's been manipulated so much. I don't know, it's hard to like trade it because like on the technical levels it would look bullish and then it just gets suppressed, it gets pressed down. It'd be annoying as AF, you know what I'm saying? Alright, man, holiday. Hey, who's the best MC out there? Wait, MC? Who would that be? You think J. Cole's good? I love J. Cole. Actually, I listened to J. Cole before he blew up. He was doing freaking I forgot his songs. He don't even stop to get gas. I think Kanye is really good though, just in general. Let's see. Thank you, appreciate it. No problem, man. Yeah, keep it up. Hopefully I see you in some of the other streams too, you know. Some filters I use is 200,000 premium volume over size. DT02. Sheesh. That date to expiration, you crazy on that one though. Okay, I got a couple. I'll show you what I have here. I like the 200K wells too. It's pretty classic as a standard. It's a standard in the book, 200K. I used to have this around 300 or 500K, but that one kind of fluctuates. I really do like the 200 a little bit more because you get more flow. 500 it chops too much stuff out. So I leave everything on here just the same because I don't want any bias on puts or calls or bid side or ask. So just leave that how it is. Give it to me like that. The emojis, I always take out the ETFs, right? I'm sure you probably do the same. There's just so much noise with SPY and whatever else. Just I don't need all that, right? And then day 2 expirations, I like some time. I like some meat on my bone. So I give myself a month so I just don't want to be stressed with options. And honestly, that's why I was like just surprised you got 0 to 3 to 0 to 7. Is that right? 3 days, right? So no, I just like to do like a month out, just so I have plenty of time and it's not so stressful and my theta doesn't get killed, like my premium doesn't come down. And then like so like you could probably do like 3% of your options portfolio with like weeklies. But I lose so much on weeklies I don't even touch them, to be honest. I mean there's a lot of opportunity. Yeah, I like leaving it around. I mean, anything with a month, like how many weeks are in a month? 4, 5, like 35. I like to do 35 to 50 days. Um, and then down here is where it gets really cool because you can like do so much stuff with this. So I exclude all deep in the money. I don't care about people buying stuff that's in the money, right? And then I like to do only out the money because I'm trying to see that momentum. I'm trying to see a direction. So these are also like, I always keep those in there. Um, And then, so that's the 200, which I'm pretty sure you know. And then I have like the open floor. This one's basically the same, but I have a smaller premium threshold or limited or whatever. I don't know how to say the word. 25K. And date to expiration is kind of the same. You can kind of fuck around, you can mess around with that one. And then open trades. It's basically what is focused floor. So it's open floor trades. That's what I like. Open floor trades. And that's going to give you the little bag, the little purse, which I like. This is probably my favorite filter, to be honest. And then, because then I can follow trades like, see, there's a few that I followed today. Like tomorrow I'll be watching this SNW. Like it's 135K. It's just a straight up buy to order. There's also another one. Oh yeah, BJ. That's where I saw the BJ order. That BJ came in real clean, simple, straight to the point. 1 point milli. Alright, sign me up. And so I like that one. Then I have the sweeper. I don't really use the sweeper that much anymore. I still keep it up. And it's basically the same. I just have the sweep on. And let's see. Then the other one is just a more classic one. It's just the triple G. You get what you pay for. Triple G, this is just where I do all my research. Let's see. Okay, now let me read some comments. Some filters I use, 200. Okay, yeah, got that one. Or 750 size. Oh, you use the size one. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. You put size range in here. So how does that benefit you? Like, are you looking for size? Because you could have a huge size, but it could be a small order. So like, for example, like this 2000, like I guess how does your size benefit you? Like by typing in a size in here or down here, I'm sorry. My favorite tracks from K Dot are Count Me Out, Savior, United. I like United and Grief. N95 is good too. I think he talks about stocks in N95, doesn't he? Let me pull it up real quick. I think he was talking about some stocks. It gave me some stock vibes though. Let me see. I swear I think I heard him say something like that. Yeah, I like N95 is good. Let me see if I hear the lyrics that I was listening to, I'll bring them up. Yeah, I really like N95 actually. I think he was talking about stocks in there. Am I right or no? Damn, yeah. NF95 is good. I like to day trade options or learn at least in. Sorry, I'm trying to listen to that Kendrick song while I read. Um, I think he was saying something about profits. Yeah, there he goes. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, okay, yeah, I like that one. The beat's just fire on that one. But yeah, I like to day trade options or at least, and yes, 3 days for a SPY QQQ options. Sheesh. I meant volume over OI. Okay, yeah, I like that one. I like that one actually. I don't use this one though, or I don't use these. I just use up the straight buy to open trades because I think this one's better. At least the way I interpret it, I think it's better. Hey bro, to be honest, I'd be watching BJ as well. Hell yeah, let's go. What do you think is gonna happen tomorrow? I don't know if I think the ones that I called out, I think are up. I was looking at the ones I called out. See where they're at. I think they were like 160 or something. They came out. This is my homie. Where am I at? Damn, I love this GIF. Yeah, they were like 160, and I think they're like 190 now. So I think the reason those are up though. Oh shoot. I think the reason those are up though is because the premium's just going up for the earnings. The implied move is going up. That's why the premium's holding and it's going up. He was looking at BJ too though. It's crazy. I think everybody's watching BJ honestly. I think it I don't know, dude. I'll definitely be waking up to it, see where it's at. I didn't play it though, because I'm already out of dry powder. Is that how you say it? Dry powder? Let me find the flow for BJ. BJ 21K. Yeah, that's for next week. For this week though, it's just bearish AF, bro. 4,900. These are the ones that no, these aren't the ones I saw. I saw the ones for 617. These right here. The 45s, yeah. Yeah, bro, that's gonna be a good play. And I actually caught it pretty early. I think when it not too long after it came in. I just didn't have any dry powder, man. I would have bought those. They were just cheap, bro. Yeah, they're $2 now actually. He said to make sure you're investing. Yes, sir. In the Heart Part 5. Yeah, that's good. I like the old Kendrick. I like the old J. Cole too. I like the old Jay-Z. Sheesh. I like the old Drake. I mean, I just like rap to be honest, but so the size is for block trades with 5 days just to see what the whales are doing with block trades. It's just an extra page I have. Okay. Hey man, why don't you join the Discord? I mean, there's nobody in here, bro. It's just me basically, and really just me right now because everybody stepped away from the market. But I got Trippy in here. But why don't you join? You can help me out with some of that stuff too, because I'm still learning the options to be honest. Or I'll post the link to the Discord. If you're interested, there's no pressure. But maybe you can help out. Or maybe I don't know. You can help. I can help. I don't know. If you need a place to hang out, you can join the Discord. It's not gonna be like Discords where it's like live and hype. And it's kind of quiet, so hey, but I promise you, one day, hopefully I can get that Discord running and it's gonna be legit. It's gonna be real. And so those that are, there in the beginning. Anyway, so I sold option contracts for a break even right after it ran 600. Sheesh. But I'm testing the 150 to 300K premium 5-day expiration oversized to see what trades come in. Today, bro, guess what? I sold option contracts for a. Oh, sheesh. Throughout the day, not right after, but yeah. Yeah, I saw a lot of that actually. I saw a lot of people were selling super early. They're just their puts and stuff. I was buying puts for June. I have puts for, or no, I have calls for June. So my stuff is down right now, but I have so much time on them that I think I can break even. So I haven't cut them yet. That's why I'm watching. So, hey, can I join? Yeah, you can join. It's there, man. It's up. It's open for everybody. And you can join mine if you want. I got you. Yeah, man, that's cool. Yeah, you can invite your people over too, man. We can make it a thing. I have a pretty cool Discord setup. I just don't have people that actually are active. Like, I got people in here, but not that many people actually talk. Hey, look, OJ, this is Omar right here. I'm pretty sure OJ, Omar Juarez. Let's go. I have a nice little setup. I got a nice little gig. I got the TV. I just bought this new plasma TV. Well, actually, I took this one down because no, but I just don't have people that are active. At this, I guess people just don't trade right now. I have a lot of people that just joined but don't really talk, so that's what I'm saying. It ain't nothing. It ain't no clout. But yeah, you can join, Arthur. Actually, you should have joined last time. I think I posted it up there. And ugh, uh, I think the only people that really talk, yeah, we share some flow in here. Like, it's not like anything crazy, but yeah, if you have flow, you can definitely post it in here. I have like trade alerts. You can post your trades and stuff. Uh, and what else? Yeah, you can put some of that Kendrick in here if you want. Trippy. Everyone's super quiet right now because market's pretty bad, I think. I also have the Unusual Wells Discord bot. You can do like algorithm commands or whatever. You can do whatever you want there. And I try not to have too much stuff so it doesn't get like super cluttery or too messy. Yeah, I just need some people that are active, you know. Hey, look, hey, the homie's in here. Let's go. But yeah, you guys can join. I don't mind. And yeah, I need someone to talk to sometimes. Are you guys full day traders though, or part-time traders, or just still learning? I've been trading. I've been trading for a while, but I've been trading options for like a year now. But I'm still learning because obviously I don't know how to take profit sometime. So yeah, once I learn how to take profit, then I can say I'm a good options trader. Sometimes I just, man, I see the percentage up and I want a little bit more. The top 3 options I was watching all morning, I seen them ran and didn't participate, just seen it. It had 9K open. Hey, let's go. And 60K volume. That's stupid crazy, bro. I don't follow the SPY stuff though. How do you? It's just so much noise, isn't it? Or no? Let me see. Hey, maybe I can get Omar to join the to be honest, brother, I've been watching Clayham's YouTube videos and it's been helping me so much. I like to experiment with filters. Hey, let's go. I know Clayman. Hey, that's the homie. Shout out to Clayman. I think we were talking about BJ earlier. Where's he at? I don't know, Omar. Do you follow me on Twitter or nah? I got him on here though. Where's he at? We were just talking back earlier. Yeah, I follow him. That's the homie right there. But yeah, I think he posted the BJ order as well. I posted it a little earlier. I'm not trying to take any credit. I'm just saying it's just nice to have people on the same page. But that order that BJ order is hard to tell because I was telling him that some of the orders are kind of in the middle, this where they got filled at. Let me see if I can show you. Hey, I'm gonna tell Clay you shouted him out though, for real. See this one, like the buy the call was in the middle. Like the spread was 295, 320, and it got filled at 313. The selling the calls 129, and the spread's 125, 140, and then the sell the put was, I mean, they're obviously slightly to the side, to the bid side, but still. I do on Flow Trader think, hey, that's bullish. That's a dope name. So how long you been following Clay? He's been blowing up, honestly. I think he's got like 1,500. Sheesh. He had like 1,200 just the other day. He's been snacking though, for sure. Hey, I got a little bit of clout. I'm not honestly, bro. I'm not big. I'm not big on Twitter or YouTube, but I'm gonna keep it real, you know. So, and I'm not perfect. So some of the stuff I post, please do your own research because you're gonna take some L's with me. I just like to post stuff and I like to share stuff. But I'm no guru, and I don't want to get that impression that I'm a guru because people are gonna lose money if they just do stuff that I say. Like for example, these CCL stuff, like I'm just making people aware of stuff, right? But this is bullish, and obviously their CCL is probably down today. Let's see how much it's down. 6%. You see what I'm saying? So just be aware of that. But I'm gonna be real though, you know. So what it is. Let's see. Hey, now that you're in the Discord though, hey, I hope Arthur joins too though. Is Arthur gonna join? Hey, you guys hit the like button for me too, please. Hey, this is Arthur, I think, right? Where's Arthur at? Let's see. I'm GGG. You already know. Everybody acts irreplaceable, act like they ain't disposable. So what's up? Y'all listen to Drake? This is me right now. This is me right now. I'm listening to this. Churchill Downs by Drake. I've been watching Clayham's one for like 2 weeks, been studying the way how he reads the flow. Been incredibly helpful. Hey, I might have to do that honestly. I get busy with works and stuff, so I can't follow all the flow and stuff, but I know he has a YouTube channel. Let's go see. Oh shit, I don't think I can find. I'll look. I think he might be on Twitter. He might have it plugged up. Where's he at? Hey, did y'all see the hood stuff? I made a little video on Robinhood. Do you guys like Robinhood? Yeah. This is Clay. He's got the YouTube channel right here. I think he made a video where he was explaining his strategy. I think I retweeted it. Now I can retweet it. Hey, Arthur's in here. Hey, we got the whole squad in there now. The whole squo. It's a squo. It's I'm pretty sure you guys are Hispanic, right? I'm Hispanic too. Trippy's Hispanic. No, I'm not Hispanic. GS. Golden State, baby, let's go. You talking about Golden State? You talking about Golden State? For real? Are you guys from San Francisco? What's up? Or are you talking about something else? Maybe you're talking about something else. It starts in about 45 minutes. I probably shouldn't be streaming too much longer. I don't know. I've been chilling. Dude, I enjoyed today's stream. Today's stream was lit. I appreciate you guys showing up, just hanging out for a bit. That means a lot to me. It does. Yeah, I know there's a couple other people in here. There's another couple people in here. I appreciate it, even if you guys aren't commenting. I know you guys are in here. Yeah, just hit the like button for me. That you don't have to comment. Well, it'd be nice to hear you guys talk, but and actually, Omar, if you guys want, like next stream, we can link it up to where I can get you guys on the stream. We can jump on the voice chat and we can go over some flow if you want. Just some vibes, you know. Ain't nothing official, nothing official. Oh, Godspeed, my bad. Nothing official, my bad. Okay, okay. Good stocks for sure, for sure. Yeah. I thought you were talking about Golden State. I guess you guys don't watch basketball. Hey, we're gonna have to get OJ. For some reason I call him OJ. We're gonna have to get Omar on here, bro. This is what he's plugging in the stuff already. Look, he's doing the late night DD. He's putting in the overtime. Like they already locked up the office, but he's still in the office. He's still at his desk, bro. Is that right, Omar? You still at the desk? What is this? This is SPY. So I don't follow the ETS because it's always like down the middle. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you even figure this out? I know there's a guy that's trying to do that. That's trying to break that down. It might be, who is it? This is just a Discord for some of the other homies. You guys in the unusual whales or no? This is the Discord whale stuff. Hey Arthur, do you have unusual whales? You need to get that stuff, bro. Let me go ahead and plug up a couple waves and stuff. Yes, sir. Let's go. So, yeah, well, hey, if you actually understand the strategy for SPY, I just omit these because it's always down the middle, right? So it's hard to know which direction the SPY is gonna go that day. Do you know how to do this? I cut them out. But if you can explain it, I can get you on the toll free. I'll pay for the for the minutes. Yeah, you can get on and chat for a little bit, talk about the OJ the OJ strategy. Not sure, I'll check it out. Yeah, if you want to just use the Unusual Whales free platform, they actually have a lot of tools that are free. I would just use my link though if you want the 5%, but you can create a free account, and I don't know what all comes with the free stuff. I can check for you. Let me check though, because I have a second account that's just for on the free version. Let me log in real quick to Unusual Whales, and I'll show you the free version. Okay, give me a second. But use the option spike promo code in case you upgrade to something, like at some point you can still use the you can get a discount for it. I'm gonna log into my free account, that way I can show you what the free version looks like, because this one doesn't, I don't pay for it. This is the free version. All right, this is the free version. So you get some limited flow access. Okay. With the minimum, so you already get access. So you still get filters actually. So that's good. You get some filters. Let's just look. Let's see if we could find BJ. Limited. Oh, with the minimum premium of 25. No results. Okay, because you're accessing the free flow. Okay. So you don't get access to like the huge premiums, but you can still look up stuff that's like smaller caps. Is that right? Limited flow trades with a minimum premium of 25k or size 150 for the tickers. For access to all trades, upgrade your account. Okay. So the data's delayed. Not exactly sure how many. Does anybody understand this? Trades with a minimum premium of 25k. Okay. Or size up for the tickers. Okay, we'll do 2500. Cancel. Let's just do DraftKings. See if anything. Nothing shows up. But maybe you don't have filters. I don't know. I haven't used the free account. You do get flow alerts though. You can look at these as well. These have filters, kinda. Contain sweeps. Yeah. These are flow alerts. So these is like, that's free. You can do that. You have most of everything here. I don't think you have you do have intratrade. Oh, you don't have intratrade. Intratrade is probably my favorite tab. This is probably the best tab in the whole platform, I think. It's got everything there. I would just make the free account and play around with it, to be honest. The link is at the top of the comments list. I'm still learning. I'm down like 400 on the month. My biggest problem is security. That's what I'm saying, bro. So I was up on some stuff yesterday, and I thought the bull run was here. So I ended up holding stuff, and now I'm down. But my stuff doesn't expire until next month, so I think I can break even. Like worst case scenario. We'll just kind of wait though, to be honest. If things get really rough, then I end up cutting them, because the further the stock gets away from the strike price, then they're gonna, like, the premium's gonna get crushed basically. I don't know how to use the free version, to be honest. Let's just do Apple, see if it works with Apple. Oh, okay, it might just be limited access to these tickers. Is that right? I think maybe these tickers change on the daily or something. I think that's what it might be. Okay, so it's showing trades for these tickers today. I think these might change on the daily. Like tomorrow they might have a few different ones. I would still try it out though. And if you want to upgrade, you can use the promo code and get a discount. But the only other thing I would say is, even if you don't understand how to read this stuff, you do get some free flow alerts. Or these right here. These are all free. So these are premium, of course, but you get free alerts. Like EEM came in, bearish order. It was 75,000 volume. So you get free alerts here that you can kind of look. So not the full access, but from here you can look. Okay, so if somebody's bearish on EEM, then you can come kind of go over here to the chart and see how it looks. And depending on whatever you're feeling like, you can play it that direction, I guess. I want to see what all the other stuff is in here though for free. I would try the free stuff for sure. And if not, honestly, you have the Discord bot in here right now. So you can actually like look stuff up more than just the free stuff. So like I could look up high open interest for DraftKings here, and then I could get it. So you could look at stuff here. So, and you're already in here, right? So you can use the Discord bot here. I try to be active on Discord. I just haven't had people in here that talks, but looks helpful. I think I've looked at the site, but never signed up. Oh shit. We'll just create the account, Arthur, and you'll be alright. But you can look at these flow stuff here. Follow the flow, DraftKings. Oof, I cannot modify that. Okay, where's the other one? Intratrade volume, DraftKings. Has been renamed to options volume. Okay. DraftKings. Alright, let's go. Oh, see, so you can get some stuff. And the intratrade volume is actually good because it's telling you the red is puts and then the green is calls. It's not technically telling you that the calls are bullish, but it's telling you that there's more activity on the call side. So the call can still be bearish or bullish. So yeah, just play around with the Discord bot and play around with the free account. Yeah, I think you'll be good. Then we got the homie in here. Hey, who is this? GS? This is the homie, right? Yeah, let's go. I don't know. I know Omar does the daily trades and he's learning a lot, so I'm kind of excited to hear from him. Do you day trade too, Arthur, or nah? You just in here chilling? You guys want to talk about GGPI? I think most of the followers on my channel are GGPI investors. I gotta get ready for this game though soon. Comes up in 35 minutes. I did see some stuff come out for Polestar earlier. This came out yesterday, but basically reducing the emissions by 6%. I don't really know too much about the clean stuff, so I didn't really want to make a video on it. And then there was like a few other things that came out. Let me show you. I'm just gonna kind of diverge and start talking some DD now. I think this already came out also. I've made tons of videos on Australia, but basically they're confirming the other models. I think the only thing that was interesting was the range, which I think 600 kilometers. I day trade some days because it's nice to secure profits. Oh yeah, I think you did tell me that. My bad. Wait, no. Who told me that? Somebody told me they... Oh, Shane did. Shane was the one. One of the viewers earlier, especially in a risk. Yeah, for sure though. You day trade options though, or you trade stocks? I feel like a lot of people are moving over to options. 600 kilometers. I might not be good for it, but I'm good to her. 600 kilometers. I think it's like 300 miles. Yeah, 372. Sheesh. So this is what Polestar 3 is expected to do. This was actually a good article. They were talking about how some of their deliveries may not make it due to the lockdowns. and the supply chains. But I didn't think it was enough stuff to talk about in the video, so I didn't make a video for this. Hey, I'll be active on the Discord tonight, bro. I'll be watching some YouTube videos on how to better understand. Let's go, and we'll share if I see anything interesting today and tomorrow. Man, I appreciate that. And that's the type of people I'm trying to get in the Discord, just some active people, you know. Only 3-day trades a week for me. I do options and I try to trade. I know, man. I feel you. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Hey, 3-day trades. You can, and that's what I was doing. I was doing overnight. I was doing overnight swings just so you don't use the day trades. But like I said earlier, the market just so volatile. So I think what I'm gonna be doing is just doing the 3-day trades and just wait till I get more 3-day trades. But I think Omar says he's gonna be active on the Discord. I'm excited to hear from him. And you can post stuff too, Arthur. Don't feel left out, man. I'm excited because I be posting stuff, but there's not really active on Discord right now, so I kind of directed most of my stuff to Twitter. But yeah, we can definitely just vibe in there for a bit. And yeah, I'm excited. What's up, NASCAR? Hey, so this was really a telling day in the market. People are selling every pop and rushing for the doors. Yeah. What you think we continue to go up or no? You think this is the beginning of the end? For sure. Hey man, I appreciate Arthur, Omar showing up. They got the juice, bro. They're gonna bring the game. And yeah, I'm still learning the option stuff too, like the unusual flow stuff. So hey, Omar knows what's up. He uses the cash account. That's actually a smart. I'm not sure which platform Arthur's using. Yeah, the options I think settle overnight, right? They settle in one day. I use Robinhood, so they don't have a cash account, so I'm stuck with the margin. And then I have a TD Ameritrade, and I made that a margin account because I wanted to trade stocks and options. And I just wanted margin so I could trade with more than I had. But yeah, I don't recommend that. I think cash account is actually the best way to do it. And Omar is doing it right, because I think when you sell, you have one night to settle, and then you have your cash the next day. If that's right, it's like hella smart, but you can't do it on Robinhood. I don't know if you can do it on. Can you do it on Webull? NASCAR said that everybody's selling on every pop. I was thinking we were talking about 385, man. That's the bottom. And then the head and shoulders kind of showed us that the bottom is, 380. So somewhere around this range. Yes, sir. 1 day on options, 2-day stocks. I think, yeah. I have margin on my TD because I initially set it up like that, and then I don't want to go days without not being able to trade, because to make the switch you gotta lock it up. So what am I listening to right now? Hey, you guys have any song requests? I'm out of music to play on this end. One song you guys want me to play, drop it down in the comments. I won't play it on the stream, but hey, here's mine if you're interested, or anyone with a small group and all still learning. I use Robinhood, by the way, but sorry I have to go, unfortunately. If I can, I'll get back on it. Hey, I appreciate it, Arthur. Yeah, post the Discord. I think you posted in the Discord. Where'd you post it in? Hey, look, Omar's already with the DD, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm gonna look in on this. I'll be watching SPY 390 puts. Okay. Hey, we'll have to get a little DD session going so you can explain the SPY stuff that you've been learning. And actually, could you plug in the Clay videos that you were talking about that helped you, or some of the flows that kind of helped you out? I think Clay does a good job. Yeah, Arthur. Yeah, you can plug in your Discord. No way, or I think that's what you're trying to plug, right? I use Robinhood, by the way, but yeah, sorry. And it's cool, man. If you can join, that's dope. If not, Hey, I know you'll be back the next time. Yeah, man, handle what you gotta handle though. Let's see. The EV can ball record is 42 hours and it's 27. Huh? What does that mean? When will EVs be able to drive across country as quickly as an ICE vehicle? Oh, the EV cannonball record is 42 hours, 17 minutes, and it's 27 hours. Oof, I don't know what that means though, to be honest. When will EVs be able to drive across country? I think aren't like EVs trying to do like an power the grid, EV grid or something? There's like a company called Nuvi or something. Vehicle to grid. It's only 15 hours longer to to go across country, and oh, I get what you're saying. It's saying you're saying like I guess like across country, like how long it would take for somebody to go across. You're saying it takes longer on an EV. That makes sense. There's this weird company, Nuve. I think they're like making it to where the vehicles charge the ground, or the cars get charged by the ground, by the grid or something. Vehicle to grid innovation. Here, I'll expand on it. The Cannonball Run is a drive from New York City to LA. Gotcha. Yeah, my bad. I didn't pick up on it until like kind of diagnosed it a little bit. Anyway, this is oh yeah, I can't post it here. I'll post it later. Gotcha, bro. Yeah, whenever you want, it's cool, man. We're just chilling. I do want to see. Hey, do you want to go? Oh shit. Hold up. My freaking mouse stopped working. Oh, there we go. I gotta use my second mouse. This bad boy stopped working. I was gonna actually pull up this stuff from Omar real quick, just if you want to explain it to me. So Omar's looking at the spies. What is this? He's on the flow. No, he's on the flow. He hearted the SPY 390 puts for this week. How much are they? They're $300. Sheesh. All right, let me see if I can get this one pulled up. I gotta get my 1 second. Let me see if I can get my my mouse together. 1 second, you guys. Oh shit, I'm back, y'all. What's going on? How's everybody doing? Yo, so Omar's looking at the spies. We're gonna shift this to the side. I'm gonna pull it up on our screen. We can see if we can pull it up. I don't really know much about the SPY. I'm gonna be real with you guys. We're gonna reset the filters so we don't have any bias. And he's looking at the SPY 390 puts. Let's just do SPY. And he's gonna. It's called vehicle to. Eesh. Oh shit. Yeah, vehicle to BS. I've only seen it or heard of it. I don't know if it's actually gonna work. Ferrari. Spy, why is it not showing up? I need to clear. I want to clear everything, but it's not showing any orders. Oh, I'm logged out, you guys. I logged out. That's why. Okay, let me log in real quick. I was freaking. I just didn't understand what was going on. I logged out. Remember, I was using the free account. Let me log into my other account. More ads than the models. Yeah, I haven't heard of the V2BS. That was actually pretty funny. Spy. Here we go. Now we're cooking with. How do you say the word? Let's see. Omar, he said 390 puts. 390 puts. They're right here. Let's go ahead and expand the open interest on that. Okay, so today the open interest was 113 and the volume was double that. So I guess tomorrow, would you be looking to see if they get closed? See, like, this is what's hard for me to understand, though. It's like, it's always kind of down the middle, like I was saying. Let's go to 2,550. I guess I should try to understand the calls and puts. Everything is so huge. We might need to go to 500,000. There's a bullish activity, selling puts for June. So this might be saying that they're... I think what this might be telling us is that they're selling their puts because maybe the... Not these, but these. Well, they're not that huge, actually. There's only 6,000. Doesn't have huge interest. It's a huge order, though. So this one looks like they're just taking profits. So they're selling the puts for 2.2 million. Okay, Omar says, I'll be seeing if the open interest carries over. Gotcha. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at, too. And I'm guessing you got to that. Let me close some of this stuff out. So my tabs are like, I'm gonna close a few things real quick. So yeah, I don't care about the new. I don't. It's not. I'm gonna close some of this stuff out real quick so we have more room to work with. I'll keep that one open. Alerts. We're gonna close alerts and close a lot of this stuff we don't need. I'm gonna leave the Twitter open just in case we get some clout later. If we need some clout. I'll be seeing if the OI carries. Gotcha. And then this is what you were saying, right? Right here. Most active chains. 390 puts for 318. And then these had... I think these had huge volume today, though. Oh, shit. I scalp options, so anything I hold can be less than a minute or so. Oof. Hey, you might be day trading more heavy than me, honestly. I try to get like a couple weeks on me. Let's see. NASCAR, can you look at BGXX and Voodoo? They both open around, oh, and they both IPO'd yesterday. Actually, I saw Voodoo yesterday and it freaking like went up to, yeah, it was like 500%. I remember you told me about it. It took a dump today, though. What happened today? That's insane, bro. Yeah, I remember this one. We talked about it before it IPO'd, actually. Were you able to get in before the I think you IPO'd, you got in at $4, right? I think the IPO was at $4. But this one doesn't have any chains. It doesn't have any options. What do you think about Voodoo? You think it's done? I remember this one, though. I remember you told me about it. Let me take a look at it on my Webull account really quick. You guys still like Bitcoin right now or not? Oh, shoot. No options. It doesn't have any options. It just sold off at the market open. Yeah, another pump and dump, I guess. Can you look at BGG? I don't know how I feel about this one. I think this one was kind of sketchy. Let me look at BGXX real quick. Oh, sheesh. This one's bullish, ain't it? It's been holding on the 1 hour. Been going. Is this a Bright Green Corporation? What do they do? Engages in cultivation, manufacture, and sale of medical cannabis. Oh, this will probably go down back to $5 or $10. Mission or services. Is it bullish in the short term, though, you think? Got, where's the volume at? 3.2 million. Volume is good. It doesn't look bad, actually, but Are you going to be trading this one tomorrow? Those are expired. I gotta do some research again. Oh, and yes, I'm Mexican. Hey, let me see if I can find the. So BGGX, are you gonna be trading this one or not? NASCAR. What's going on with this one? This one's. I just be watching what, $32? I'll be watching that level. Actually, it could still hold what, 45? It can hold above here. I would watch 45. It can hold above 45. It could continue going. Like I said, I don't like to trade the option or the IPOs. They're just so crazy. But let's go back to those options. You're saying those are expired. Yeah, these are expired. No, but the ones you showed me were for 520. It's these, right? That makes sense. Yeah, so all these are expired. These expired worthless though, right? Because SPY closed above it. SPY closed at above 390. That's crazy. These expired at 0 cents, I'm guessing. I think it closed above 390. Yeah, it closed at 391. So these expired worthless. These expired in the money. The high of it was 172. The low. Imagine getting these for like $1, $5, and that's crazy. Yeah, you can make some money off of those. Let me see. I guess the next ones to look at are the 20s, which you were talking about. These. So yeah, this actually makes sense. You're gonna be watching these to make sure if they hold tomorrow. Yeah. If they hold, then we'd probably see more downside, you would assume, right? If they hold these contracts overnight. The thing with these though is like they have so much just do 550,000. Just trying to find a big order. Okay, not too much. Not that much. Just gonna heart this one so I can watch it tomorrow too. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching some of these. Do most of these hold their volume? Like, I guess the 390s, they had huge volume and they already had huge open interest. So I think if this flips, so the volume is basically all of them closing these positions, then that would be bullish for tomorrow, right? Because the rest of the chains are all bullish. Well, these are actually expired worthless too. These chains are bullish though. This chain is bullish, the 400. So it could be we go to 400 by the end of the week. That's actually a good point. So if these get closed tomorrow, and like by open these are gone, and then they had this 100k for the 400 calls, then I might follow in with these 400s and jump in with the 400 calls for this Friday. I think that'd be a good play. Yeah, I'm gonna add the 400 calls as well because these are the most active chains for today. I'm gonna slap that one on here real quick. Hey, let's go. 50. Okay, I'm just trying to find a big order. This one's bearish. It doesn't matter if it's bearish. I just want to find something with nice size. BGGX might run similar to Tenon short term. I'm not buying it up here. No way. Where's Teton now? Let's see where Teton is. Tenon. Oof. Oh no. This is crazy. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Would you short this though? Or can you short these or not? I think you could. Sideways trading. Same. Good eye. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, that makes sense, I think. I don't know if I was doing that right, though, to be honest. But I guess these were the two active chains. The other ones were expired, like you mentioned. Like you said, all of these are expired. Let's look at the chains with the highest open interest. So the ones that are still, like, the most open interest are the put side. So actually you might just want to watch the 380s also because these have 112 open interest and they had pretty good volume today. So it could be that they're closing these 380s also. Like all the highest open interest are puts through 520. Yeah, so I would look at these three actually. I'm gonna slap in the, look at these. These are 90 volume today with the open interest previously of 100. Volume today 90 with previous OI. And look, what's crazy is, I guess, yeah, they're all puts. So I would be interested to, I'll probably wake up in the morning and just look at this, the change with highest open interest. I'm gonna post that in the Discord so I remember. I'm just gonna look at the top three, honestly. Just gonna watch these three. Yeah, just these three. I'm gonna watch these three tomorrow just to see how they hold up. Put them on the due diligence right there, just so I have them for tomorrow. NASCAR, he said, well, if you can short these, BGXX is obviously a short eventually. Yeah, but I never short. Oh. What's the borrow fee rate? I guess. I think tomorrow we might have a green day, but let me check the futures before I even go further into that. Let me close that out. Economic. The news. Where's the futures at? I'm trying to find futures for us real quick. And I'll probably have to get off soon because I want to watch the game. You guys watching the game or not? Futures. Where's the futures at? Indices, futures. Let's look at the futures real quick. They're already down. Shit. Futures are already down. But the futures don't really matter too much right now. It'll be more important tomorrow. Like an hour or two before open, it's when it really matters. But right now we're blood red. Sheesh. I guess the only thing I really want to show you guys before I get off is the earnings for next week. I want to help you guys get ready for earnings next week. So what I was talking about earlier was Zoom, but there's actually other companies. Nvidia's reporting next week too. Intuitive actually might be a good play, like to the bullish side. Because I think H&R Block reported. H&R Block. How do you spell H&R Block? H&R Block. Here we are. HBR? HRB? H&R Block. I don't know the ticker for H&R Block. It is. It's HRB. Yeah, so this is H&R Block. I think their last earnings was a huge win. And they've been gassing. So Intuitive, I think, could also be a good, and especially at this price. Oh yeah, I think so, bro. They're gonna smash earnings with taxes, a whole bunch of meme freaking frenzy. I think let's see, bro, 85 points. NQ is gonna retest intratrade low today. SQQQ might just open up at 62. Pre-market if NQ doesn't pick up. You think it breaks out though? Like, I think that was the only thing I was worried about was because this is what you're talking about too though, right? And it has to get above 63, like it has to get above 63. I think 62 is important, but 63 is really the levels I was thinking, like up here. Like 63.50. I think that's where the levels are. Really, 62, like 62.70 is what it looks like was just the May 11th highs. Let me cut that down. Yeah, 62. I can't find it. Okay, 62.70 though. I'm just gonna mark it right here with my, I think 62.70 is what it wants to, and I'm gonna get rid of that. Don't need that. And I'm gonna go back to the daily. 62.70 is where it wants to break. You said it's gonna open at 62. So I was just gonna wrap up with Intuitive. I think they might beat Intuitive. Let me look at the price. And I'm gonna look at 7%. Oh, it only moves 7%. What did it trades at? What does it trade at? Intuitive. Trades at 350. Oh, I can't even afford these contracts. Never mind. So let me see. I might be able to get a spread. 354 times 1.07. So 20 bucks, about 25 bucks. Let's look at the options on Intuitive. It should probably be bullish, I would think. Let me look. It's about down the middle. Let's look at the flow levels. Full chain breakdown for next week has got the most volume, so people are expecting to move. There's really no action, honestly. There's like 450 for 410, but I don't think it'll move that much. 360, it's got most of the interest bullish also. There's a lot of bearish though. There's a little bit more bearish here. It might not move, to be honest, so I wouldn't. I did like H&R block though. Let's see if NQ tests and breaks intra-trade year lows at support, then yes. Right, so look at the, what was it? Got the NQ futures. Where's the futures at? NQ futures. Let's see. The NASDAQ futures. Is it already under? Where's it at right now? I'm gonna slap this bad boy on the watch list. I don't have to keep looking it up. Imagine. Okay. Damn, it's already coming down. It's probably gonna come down here, right? It's got this support right here. It's got some room before it really breaks down though. So here. You're gonna be watching the futures, I guess. Alright, so just earnings for next week as XPEG. I'll probably do a weekend stream so I can do some actual DD. XPEV, Neo. This one's actually like the scooter one. I'm kind of interested in Zoom. And what else? Advanced Auto Parts, don't care about them. Sky, WK, API. Nothing good. I think most of the earnings is like behind us. Woof, nah, I'm good. BBY, hey, I gotta get some clout to that one guy. He shouted me out, so if it holds good for market, if not, then bearish. Okay, gotcha. So that level right there that I pointed out, is this what you're watching too? Was it 71.5? So about 100 points. Discovery, is this Discovery? No, this is something else. I'll be watching Nvidia for next week, honestly. Nvidia, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting like either my plays ready for next week, this week. That way I'm ready for it. Splunk. Ooh, this one's actually might be a good one too. SLPK, SPLK. Dix might do bad, bro, just based off of Walmart retail consumer. Dix might be a play also. Snow also nice. Snow and Nvidia. We got Nvidia. Did I put Nvidia down? I'll end up probably doing a weekend stream so we can go through some of the flow and stuff for this. And maybe I can get one of you guys on here if you guys want. I think those are all the plays. Oh, Burlington, that one might be a play too. That's consumer as well. That one probably got crushed. Oh, and Dollar Tree. Dude, Thursday's gonna be huge. Alibaba, Costco. I'm just trying to go ahead and get positioned ready for next week. So, because once like Monday hits, the premium for a lot of this stuff is gonna go up. Hey, yo, Trippy just came on. Or tomorrow morning. Bro, I'm gonna be working tomorrow. I'm on right now. 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to see if the homie's trying to stream or if he's gonna watch the game. There you go. See, I'm not lying. Just showing you guys how it is. How it is. Oh, he's tuned in, bro. Trippy's tuned in. Saul was in here, bro. Going. You want to do the stream? We can just. I'm trying to watch the game low key, but yeah, he's on his way home, but it's gonna be late because I gotta do some stuff tonight, bro. Hey Omar, wait, hey, we got Omar in here now, Trippy. So go easy on Omar. Hey, Trippy said what we bullish on. We have a lot of stuff for Thursday, honestly. I didn't know. I thought this was Friday, but you think Spy keeps falling, Saul? Saul is Trippy, by the way. I'm gonna write down Baba. I don't even know where it's at right now, but I'd be interested in playing Baba. Imagine they run up. That'd be crazy. They actually filled the gap. They had a gap right here and they filled it. It looks bullish now, to be honest. I might get calls on this baddie. We had the gap right here. It's already filled. It's a double bottom, what it looks like. Let's get this thing going back up to $100. Hey, Omar, he's got the DD too. But Saul's got some solid DD on the AMD. SPY will continue falling? You think so? Yesterday you were saying there was a Biden rally today. Let me look at the Baba. I'm interested in Baba. Dollar General, Dollar Tree. A lot of big stuff actually. Baidu, another Chinese company. Burlington. So these are just initial thoughts. Ulta, I think Ulta's gonna get smacked. Consumers. Workday, Autodesk. What up, Saul? Yeah, what's up, Saul? Hey, Saul's the AMC king. What do you? He's an AMC ape too, though. Costco. There's a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff for consumers, and I think we got a pretty good idea this week based off Walmart. I mean, Home Depot too, and Target, of course. So it could continue going into these earnings too. I mean, if some of the big boys can't handle themselves, I don't know how some of these other guys gonna do it. Burlington, I'm curious to see what they trade at. Like, what do they? I thought they were like bankrupt, to be honest. We have a Burlington here, but kind of assy. Like the stock, I never gone. It's just already been trading from the all-time highs. What was it? 360, 350. Here, what's it looking like? 447, 147. Let's come down to this level. Alongside GME and meme stonks. Buy the AMC dip when market dips, and it has too many holders. Yeah. The only thing with the AMC stuff though is like when people start needing money, even the AMC holders are gonna sell their shares, I think. I don't know. Like if they need to eat, you think if somebody needs to eat, you think they're gonna hold their shares or go buy food? No, it's past visiting hours. I think I gave him that nickname Trippy because I don't know. Did I give you that nickname Trippy or you've been at that nickname? I thought I gave it to him. He was in here one time high as fuck though. He had some solid DD though, like some tinfoil. That's the type of DD we need sometimes. It's not the DD we asked for, but it's not the DD we deserved, but it's the DD that we got. So thank you. Oh shit, the game is on. I'm about to wrap this up, y'all. I'm just trying to go peep the game for a little bit before I go take a shower. Well, am I gonna take a shower today? I'll probably take a shower during halftime. My back's been hurting me right now, pretty bad. So I messed up my back. I'm handicapped right now. I'm probably going. Yeah, gonna go lay down in a bit. But we got a lot of. Yeah, Wednesdays usually my days. I usually watch some shows. I got a couple shows online that Survivor's on. I got the game tonight. I might be up till midnight tonight, I think. But I wanted to stream for a little bit and just help, hang out for a little bit with anybody. Man. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, I'm pretty. Let's see. Let's check out the clout real quick. We got some clout. Hey, look at this. Like the tweet. Coding coach. I appreciate. That's the only important part, man. Just gotta keep learning. Never ending process, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's how it is, for real. I'll be on the Discord for sure. Hey, man, I appreciate everybody that showed up. Let me shout out everybody in here really quick. I like to do that before I end my streams. Shout out to Omar, Saul showing up for a little bit. NASCAR doing his thing. He shows up a lot. Appreciate you, NASCAR. Arthur, one of the newer homies. He's showing up in here regularly. So, and then Clay Hims, y'all shouting out Clay Hims. That's my dude. So shout him out. He wasn't in here, but that's my guy. Investing Sensei. Muchas gracias. Where we at? Oh, Greg was in here for a bit. GGPI, baby. Let's go. Eddie Guetta, that's my man. Early subscriber. And where we at, man? We getting famous in here. Rafita was in here earlier too. I appreciate him. We hung out for a bit, chat some DD, and then Shane. I appreciate Shane. He was the first one in here today. So shout out to Shane for sure. But yeah, man, that's all I have for today's stream. I just wanted to hang out with you guys and talk some DD stocks. And nothing really planned, but it turned out to be a good one. Hopefully the next one is just as good. So we'll hopefully plan that, and then definitely check out the links I posted. If you guys are interested in unusual whales, you can get a discount. You can check out the Discord if you want. It's free. No pressure. Yeah, if you just need a little place to hang out or whatever, go ahead and join the Discord. It's free. Free 99, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I hope you guys have a great night. I'll be working on some video. I probably won't stream tomorrow or Friday. Not sure yet. I'm not sure how I'll be feeling. But yeah, I'll be on the Discord and maybe work on some videos this weekend so I can get that stuff out to you guys. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up this stream. Hope you guys have a great night, and as always, keep moving forward. Peace.